I don't do anything. No. I don't know. I don't have you. I don't know you. I don't have you. I don't have you. I don't know anything. I don't know you. What did I do this short man? Why ain't they pursue me? Who ain't be? Hey!
They play now in the so.
Lee.
I did tell you.
I block her here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what do you want to do? I need to block my back side.
I block her here.
Oh yeah now.
Chop. Oh God, chop, seafood, chop.
See, let us something about you, no. This is your mouth. As you dey run am. Now you go make me box you.
Go box you.
I said I dey box you.
Go put money.
Which money?
Put money, more
I know they put money play if you won't play.
The person.
Too much money they worry me.
The same person will come beg me 200 naira. Too much money. Take on like this.
And I do this, I did.
Oh! United Nations. If not be say, you get the kind of thing where person go come if I go begin accuse God, say he dey do pasha. How God go package one person like this? Something, equipment with like 10 sisters. Suppose you they be better people for life. Only one person gather and pay. Take. Am I going too much? Too much.
I got let her leave me. I won't withdraw money.
Okay.
I take go market. I won't arrange 1 or 2 cents.
How much?
Just 3,000 naira.
What did 3,000 go reach you do now?
I dey greet you, Linda.
I greet you too. Now waiting man go take work now. My card.
Wait first. 3,000 naira. Keep your card. This is now 5,000.
Oh, God, Claire. Thank you.
No, thank you.
You sabi spoil person.
Nah, you they underrate me. Go ask people. My middle name now, Spoiler. Spoiler of person.
I dey greet you, Linda.
You don't first greet her now.
Oga Cletus Mali go market.
They go, my dear.
Later, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oga Cletus.
Oh! No go scatter my head. Hey!
Mama Chineke, oh dogwo. Mama Chineke, oh dogwo.
What is this other thing?
Let us. Something must kill a man. If na say the way where you come from, now you won't pass go. As a friend matter, I dey advise you. You too like woman.
Where you won't pass go?
I dey advise you.
Oga, come over here. Special advisor. You don't advise yourself? No, you don't advise yourself.
You be friend. I dey advise you make you no follow the way where you come from. Make you no follow and go back.
Get out.
Be careful.
Swear. If not be envy, where the worry you swear. Say as you see that material stand.
Envy you.
Say your body don't move.
Me I dey envy you.
Swear.
Wait, the person wey enter wey say he no greet me, I greet am twice.
What did they greet you for? If you be girl, you dey as Lydia dey. Man we keep face like this. They greet you. You go answer.
I know they there.
Go check your family history. if chimpanzee no be your grandpapa, na be say your mama go relate to chimpanzee somewhere.
I no fine.
This life just dey one kind. Oh, just in a minute, it go blow your mind. This life in no balance. I swear in no balance. If you sabi this one, just know and know say you know sabi the other one. No, the hustle is real and nobody want to carry last. Oh, use what you get to get what you want. Oh, cause some people who get waiting, some people who want. Oh, give and take is the order of the game. Sure get. Oh yes, if you bring, you go get. Sure get. Waiting you carry come on board, go determine waiting you go get. Sure get. For this game, even if you sharp, if it still be another person, mother. Oh.
Hey, bros, I greet you.
I greet you too. How you doing?
Hey, boss. I dey find my papa house. Mama wey dey Kaduna State, just saying they stay for one mansion for this estate. But I don't know the particular place. Wait.
I know this man. Now your papa be this.
Eh?
I sabi Oga Cletus now. We dey stay the same compound. Make I carry you go there now.
Carry me now.
Eh? Mo dey go now.
Pretty good.
Chris. Barnabas, what you dey fight for here?
What you want come people? What you want come people? What you dey fight for here?
What's up with this rubbish now? Eh? Not be my brush fall down for Naija say make I pick am.
Which one me say your brush fall down? Na inside here be where your brush dey? Eh? Now, no, waiting. Tell me, now waiting. Tell me now, look me. What do you want to see? What do you want to see? What do you want to see?
Stop now. Stop it. You know that person picking. You walk in lamb. What did happen?
I dey baff. I know say your picking in head no correct. Say go come peep. Now I wait. Now you just open this thing. They peep my nakedness.
Wait,
you.
Barnabas. Not true? Let it be pumpu.
No be my brush fall down for Naija say make I pick am. Don't say the people.
So this full place, your bros don't see where to fall put. Now near where person the bath. Hey, Barnabas, waiting I do you. Waiting I do you. Why be saying so bad things now you sabi? Huh? Why you go the people woman with the bath? Don't do now. You know see I here the bit. What do you want? You want kill him?
One amo. What is your picking? The next time you try that nonsense, I go come out your eye.
You see, as you don't conclude, say, na so wahala na you go they give me. Barnabas, me say if I don't go swear. I don't take oath, say, na so shaggy. I go they show you. Markham. You do, I beg. You don't do. You go do now. This one for come out. Now only you don't see now, me never see. You go make an every me oh, papa, pikin, go see everything.
Not true.
You don't even abandon the bath. You see what you cause?
Oga Cletus, agree to. This boy they find you. Him say him be your pikin.
You know die way. You hear me? You know go better for you.
Oga Cletus, waiting I do.
Shut up your mouth. So if you dey waka for street, you see mad person, you carry am come meet me say, na maybe him papa. Huh? Where did they tell you talk? Who you be?
I see my man number here. I will call him. Ask him question. As you see me, sir, I don't tire.
Who be your mama?
Aisha.
Eh? Kaduna?
Yes.
But which kind of life be this? First you go just dey solve one problem, another one will come. You don't sure you hear them. They say na your brother. Maybe two of you now. We go find some do DNA. Do the test. No, I not get powerful.
Hey, come. Why would I be shout for him?
Shout waiting. Guy, mind your business, idiot.
Now me they talk to like that. No worry, you go come find me.
This life just there one
Aisha, what did you they talk?
Just in a minute.
But you know, you never ever tell me before saying you get belay for me now. Huh?
If you sabi this one, just know and know say you know sabi the other one. No, the hustle is real and nobody want to carry last.
Which kind of wahala be this?
To get what you want.
Hausa they short.
People who get waiting, some people who want.
I never see Hausa my way short before. I be this guy won't do me why you.
Oh yes, if you bring.
Hey.
Yes, sure get. Now waiting you carry come on board, go determine waiting you go get. Yes, sure get. For this game, even if you sharp, you fit still be another person maga. Oh, na scam. POS. If you no bring, you no go take. POS. You no matter who you be, you must go exchange for the POS. So enjoy the service.
Sweet soul. Oh, full option. Mommy water sister. See us speaking fine.
Nobody carry me come here, I won't come withdraw money.
He no get any the way person even say make it even praise you. Every time your body dey hot, calm down. Not be me spoil the country. Every time, how much?
10,000.
Savings or current?
No be savings that they use this. No this card.
I suppose photocopy am, gum for my eye, so that when you come, I know the bank where they use.
But did you notice this one?
He hide. Commission don high o, commission na 400, so na 10 for.
I bet na 200 I get. If you no want do, I'll just go this junction, go dey draw my money.
Stingy. You no get anything wey person fit benefit from you per year. All these equipment we keep, na outside you still go share am. Commission wey person go collect for your hand na, na guy. You hold the 200, I make I comot am for inside.
I bet comot am for there. Only yourself dey here. I go go that junction, go dey draw my money.
You not see them before you come here. Relax. Now network. You see sometimes network they. Pull your pin. Sorry, shake him. I know your pin. Just put them. If you want to make I put them, help you put them. Put them now. This work what we do here. This is na small pikin brain we take dey do am. Almost everybody wey come here, I know their pin.
Ha!
Your thank God say we not be those kind of people.
Make my money no shall miss.
How much first day there? Maybe somebody you only pay 10,000 and he make you get power. Not be you. You dey withdraw past 1,000. By the way, sorry for what happened yesterday. You know, these Barnabas, but I don't talk to them, tire. I don't know why they do. Why you go to pick person where they bath? I be not vex. Just take them as one of those things where small children they do. He go grow, come realize that way you do that nonsense.
Wait. Who they call children? That your picking way I tear from here reach back. See, I beg, one hour more, because the next time he come they peep me, I go plug in here come off. For your head.
No, you're not go try him.
I beg give my money when they go inside.
You not go try him. Before you
even like Papa.
Before you even do nonsense, I don't already deal with them. Sorry. I go cheat you. Who should they count again?
I my account to easy to get money. You know how many this now they do.
I beg. Thank you.
You don't less. Yeah? You see, I feel like all these people where they dig grave for cemetery. You know, so I never see Billy say, "I may born you." Every time from one problem to another, from one problem to another. What is the problem for here? Eh? No, they don't go carry that one. Come join you. Say, "Na my pikin." See person. I don't know why now let me just the bone. If one not too short, the other one will get sense. Wait, this will not forgetting card. And I don't go put myself in trouble. Say I know you pin. 1 naira loss on that your account now. You go say na me cause am.
On a scam. POS. If you no bring, you no go take. POS. It no matter who you be, you must go exchange for the POS.
Darling.
So enjoy the
Yes, I'm actually in Abuja.
Without stress. Don't forget
But I'll soon be in Lagos. So once I'm in, I'll give you a call. All right, darling. Bye.
Clara, you too lie. Why you dey lie? Now what be this?
Amaka, or what they call you? You hear me so? Whether na Abuja I dey or Sokoto na dey, it no concern you. Leave me alone.
Now what no concern me what they do for this compound? Why you dey lie?
Amaka, Amaka, mind your business. Mind your business, oh. Amaka, mind your business, oh.
Yeah.
Hey,
mind
your business.
Who they talk to? Who you dey lie to?
You. Mind your business.
Who be that man where they talk to? Hi.
Ade Abuja,
This man don't suffer.
Die, yo.
Na badore she dey oh. Oga, na badore she dey. I wish I know that man. For don't tell I said that badore. I don't know say badore dey Abuja. Wait so. Opada Abuja. Hey! Abrakwa say na Paula oh. Shalom. Hey! Badore Abuja.
on a scam. POS. If you no bring, you no go take.
Now you carry the money where I drop on top table for inside room.
I don't go buy food.
You don't go buy food. You dey craze. See, you dey mad. Why you carry money when no be on without person permission? You carry the money, take and go buy food. So what they do?
I know. I leave my shirt.
Man, leave your shirt. If I leave your shirt, man, die.
Leave my shirt.
Now you go die here.
Leave my shirt.
You dey craze.
Leave my shirt, idiot.
What happened?
Papa, see this idiot oh. I drop money on top table for inside room. He carry the money, carry and go buy without my permission.
Not true?
Yes.
Why you go take money when not be your own?
I go take service and money. I ask you to say my papa for money. He say no get. But I decide they use spend for all these women them.
That one you go see. Top him out. What did they not send you? Now you go see. Thief. You don't do, no verse.
Okay.
You don't do. No sense. How much be the money?
3,000 no.
3,000. You go pay. You go pay. No worry yourself. You go pay. You no pay that money, I go send you back to Kaduna, where they say they bring you from. You go back. You. I don't blame you. Because all these people that said that they catch people for that side. Don't see you since catch. Even a sacrifice when they use you do. I've not had this problem. Chop ammo. You don't see I'm robber. You buy egg. Buy meat, buy momo. No. You for buy blood, join them.
If you no bring, you no go take. POS. It no matter who you be, you must go exchange for the POS.
Because of that small money I collect for your hand, make you the carry face for me like pregnant dog. I may see your money.
Come.
You kill me.
Where carry see all this money from?
I got 3,000 naira now. You want plenty money for me. I just go play bets. As your papa no fit give him picking the money. You think the money go to carry big nash up.
You don't see and finish. You don't see and finish.
You need to pay plus. Now that we get big nash. I ain't even the vex me pass.
Yes,
you wish they
stop here, man. Get big waiting. The big head where you would here since you don't condemn that one finish.
Wow,
sorry, my dear.
Wow.
Adeko, listen to me. Don't be I talk to you.
Are they here?
You short. Take. Carry. Go fetch water. When you bring them, keep them near bedroom for me for there. You dey hear me?
I don't hear.
I don't want any disturbance. Now they hear?
Yes.
I don't want any disturbance. In fact, if people are too close to the window, I go come over here. If you know if anything where you need to collect for inside that room, now go collect them. Not be when I lock door now. Now that time you go come, go. I want to drink water. Go. I want to collect. Go and collect anything where you need now. Because once I lock door, I don't want to hear disturbance. You hear me, so? Go!
The kind of money we that get the collect on and don't be small. Money you supposed to give us, make us take they enjoy the money you go back and give woman.
See, like this, I define what I will do 2 of them. I swear to God. See, where you go see Pepe by?
Pepe?
Yes.
Shop there side now. And if I even go inside kitchen, say I will see Pepe. But come, what you want carry Pepe do?
Is this a Papa wicked us? That wicked way we call us. Now what you I want to am back. Like this, that water way say me you go fresh. If you don't fresh am, go put that Pepe inside. You can. You see that big nash way you won't go enjoy. I swear to God, you not go enjoy am.
No, that na wickedness. Na wickedness be that. You know the pity person.
What happened? You want pity for him? The correct quantity with this. See, no teach him a lesson. So next time, you no go do him again. You no go carry big bottom against your children. But that's what I don't want to do.
I don't understand. Yeah? Yay! Yay!
I go sleep. Now this place I go sleep. Oh, bo. Sabinus. See, mama, it's my conscience they judge me. This place over there, I don't like calm. I don't dey calm. My body they do me so much. See, I beg, go beg Papa back. Make Papa agree, go beg Papa back. I beg. This place, why you come down? Why you come down? Why you come down?
It is again, Papa. It is again, Papa. What that small two with you, Papa? Let Papa just pursue us for come off house. Like this way me every day. We don't get Papa, we don't get Mama. We go find mother's room. Deal with them. Let's go better.
See, Sabinus. Sabinus. See, what I tell you now be say, this place where we dey so you don't know people where they dey. See, my mind no dey at rest o. No go beg Papa so that you go. Sabinus.
Before go out. Who dey there?
Hey.
Who na be?
Hey, go ahead. Hey, good evening, sir.
Come.
Hey. Sabinus, they be just waiting you cause.
Who na be? Nobody.
Motherless babies.
Motherless babies?
Yes. Babies.
Come on, Nabi. What did I do here? Wait. Go sleep. That's why. Come on. Who dey find me go sleep? We offend our papa. So for this whole area, when I find out I go sleep and for my cabin I won't go sleep, Abi.
No be like that.
You know what? Today when I don't enter, as I look at you like this, I go to do money ritual.
Sabinus.
You.
Okay.
As your head big like this, he go give me plenty money. You no go bring. And they see Bitcoin for your head already.
Amen. You go bring.
This face. I know this face.
No, you don't know me.
Come on.
You know me?
Come on, shut up your mouth. No be your papa they do POS business for Jabo stop.
My papa get down. Now he get down. Sabinus.
If you no bring, you no go take POS. It no matter who you be, you must go exchange for the POS. Even American visa getting price, but don't forget your service charge.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nolly dey here.
Who you see for here again? Now only me dey. How can I help you?
Bros, no vex. Na because I dey see another man for here. That's why they ask. Abeg no vex.
That one wey you dey see, that one na my papa. And he no dey around. Okay. No dey around at all. So na me dey in charge. So how can I help you?
Bros. As you see me so like this, na die I dey. In fact, na reserve I dey. To even breathe, they had me. For 1 week now, I never see food job. I swear.
So, now hungry they catch you now.
Bros, if hungry na person, now you dey see like this. I be hungry pro max. Bros, I beg. Anyhow we be. Anything you do for me, I see food. Put for belly. I beg.
This, say now money you want, I be now food.
Bros, anyhow you want take be maybe make I just see something before belly. I beg.
See this money where they mad. Now my pale get amu, and I don't fit give you shishi. She buy, you know physical inside this money. You know what happen? Unless I get enough food for house, go just sit down. I'll go bring food, come for you.
Sorry, bros, thank you.
Yes,
I'll
go bring food, come for you.
God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you, bros. You do better for me that day. You see why to do good, day good. If I do you bad thing, now God no go forgive me. But what did I do here now? I don't be this one. What did I do here? They say, what did I do for here?
This one, no, my son of God. Na Sabinus. We offend our papa. Na. That's why we can't stay for this place. No, be intentionally. You know me now.
When I offend na papa, na come here, come stay.
Yes.
Una better go back on na papa, oh. Una dey hear me so?
Yes.
But una go back on na papa. You see the streets, so? No joy for the streets. I tell you so, no joy for the streets. Hi. Now wow. Person go school, finish. To get job na wahala. Which kind of country be this? And if we complain, then go butcher us like animal. 20th of October 2020. I no go forget that day. Hi. This government, I don't even know where they carry us, just they go. Just they follow their line, mamu. Guy! On a don't chop.
We never chop.
On a don't chop.
We never chop.
We never chop.
No, what? I'm gonna just wait for here, eh? Okay. We can go find something. Arrange for them. They come back, eh?
Okay.
I'm gonna just wait.
God will bless you.
God bless you.
God will bless you. Sabinus, you see what he talk? You see what about the talk? See, Moku find way come up for this place. You know that I don't get mine. You know that I don't get mine. You know that I don't get mine.
She did say here. You want to go buy food? Go buy food. Don't talk to me. Early in the morning we go find our way.
We go find our way.
Just cheek. Yeah.
If this man come back or change his mind, Sabinus, I swear.
No go change.
If I die, my spirit go disturb you.
Shut up.
My spirit go disturb you. Okay. 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 Just. Okay.
Wow. God, why? God, why? Now, children, I beg you to give me. Why you give me terrorists? God, now bandits. Now you open eye, give me as children. Now see, they won't kill me. What did I do?
But you don't feel better, Abi?
If not be you will bring this powder idea, maybe by now all my body for don't pee.
Sorry.
Except I don't see those children. Except I don't see them again. If they don't kill me, I go kill them.
Sorry. Sorry, eh?
See as they scatter all my plans. You one person don't they see. If they know how long when it take me to convince you to come for this thing, we be one do. Now see as they scatter them.
I will come now.
I beg go. Now say you go to talk. I go come now. When you want to come?
I will come.
You go come. That's why you dey come.
You don't feel better.
Now that time now they go tell you, you know say my hair don't due. I want retouch my hair. Makeup don't finish. House rent, landlord don't dey worry me.
But you'll be my boyfriend now.
I beg, boyfriend.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Who be these ones? Wait, okay. Una come check whether I don't finally die. Or una come back to come finish me off. Eh? So after the wickedness what una do, una get mind to come back to this house. Eh? You know that this thing una do not be not easy to do one. Now brain work. So I suppose even dash or something. Abi? How they come?
Where they go?
No, I don't know whether they don't eat since yesterday. I go find money, come for them. Maybe they go chop.
Okay. Now what for now?
Today.
I beg.
Where they wrong go? No, where una they wrong go? See, if you make it easy for yourself, just put your neck here. Eh? Make sure say you stretch well like this, so that I feel remove once. Yes.
Okay, Cletus, you won't kill your children.
If you allow me to cut you before I eventually remove your neck, now you go feel the pain. No. We will do it once.
I beg, leave them. I beg, forgive them now. Eh?
Children wey wan kill me. No, children wey wan kill their papa. You don't know say if their papa quick kill the children by himself, e no do bad.
I beg. Nobody dey kill anybody for here.
Eh?
You fit punish them, but no be to kill them now. What do people go talk?
I
beg.
Una see una life? No, una dey see una life. The same woman wey una no like, na dey beg for una now. The same woman once una see me with am, na so una dey gossip me, na go dey tease am. Na she now, na he be una savior.
We love her.
Shut up your mouth. Emergency love. Since when? If you like, talk say you love her, na he born una. You are wasting your time. You no get as I go leave una say una no serve one punishment.
Don't want good. Give them punishment.
Yeah, 50-50 frog jump.
Mama, leave me.
50-50. And as soon as they do that frog jump, anything we are talking now, repeat after me. 50-50 frog jump. And as you dey jump am, you go dey talk. Papa, we like her. Oh yeah, go. Papa, we like her. Papa, we not go do am again. Papa, we love her.
Papa, we love your girlfriend.
Wait. Who mentioned girlfriend? I call girlfriend? No, you hear girlfriend from my mouth? Make Obadu kill you. Papa, we like her. Papa, we not go do am again. Papa, we love her. Ogun kill you.
Wait, Ogun kill you. What happened?
P.O.S. If you no bring, you no go take.
Oga Cletus. Oga Cletus, the importer and exporter of cars.
So enjoy the service.
That is how you do.
Don't forget.
If na money you wan borrow, I no get. Not just hail me, or if na wine you wan wine me, e no work.
Oga Cletus, why they talk like this now? Wait, I don't ever disappoint you before. I don't ever collect money from you and I don't give you back. Why they do like this now? See. Just watch me small now. But if I come back, I will give you back immediately.
E be like say these lines, you just rehearse and keep. You store them. Anytime when you want borrow money, you release them. Abi, you forget saying that this same thing, now you tell me last time. The last time, before that other last time, now this same thing, now you talk.
What are you talking?
Madam, it not work. I beg, forget.
Hello, Clara.
Hey, Kelvin. Hi, good to see you.
Same here. Is that big girl around? I'm here to see her.
No, she's not around. She went to see her uncle.
Oh, I've been trying to get hold of her for a long time, but there's no. Are you alright? You don't seem to look good.
Kelvin, I'm not alright. I don't know what happened. I've been trying to withdraw. I've been trying to transfer, and it's not going. You know, this Nigerian bank network is just somehow, and this man here is not even helping matter.
How much do you need?
Like 10 to 15K or thereabout.
Sir, you can withdraw from me.
Oga, no go enter wetin you no know. Na trap.
Sir, don't worry.
No be you get money dey transfer. Na network dey put money for inside person bank.
Don't worry, withdraw from my account, please.
What? If you get money to waste, now you know. Transfer no dey go. Withdraw no dey go. Current or savings?
Current, sir.
Here, pin. Approved. Sorry, we not get receipt. Paper don't finish. But see, it's approved.
Now.
For pack everything give you. Thief.
Oh my God, Kelvin! Thank you so much. You're such a darling.
You're welcome. Please don't fail to tell Abigail that I stopped by, please.
Sure, I will. I will.
Thank you very much.
See you.
If to say lie na human being, if it be you. Lie Pro Max.
What did they worry you now? What be your problem now? I come here, come ask you for help, you no gree help me. God just carry somebody from nowhere. Angel! We can't rescue me. Not just say they talk. Free me! See better man. See better boyfriend. See better. I don't know what thing they do. I don't find enough. I don't know whether na village people even they follow me. I don't know.
The one where you do yourself never reach. If village people add hand join this, you are finished.
On a scam. P.O.S. If you no bring, you no go take.
P.O.S. You no matter how you be, you must like this.
You know how many vitamin where you go lose like this? All these ingredients where they decide.
Cletus Nigeria PLC.
Oga landlord.
I greet now too. On a day now. Hey. This enjoyment way not the enjoyable. You and your Omolicha baby. Wow. Now well done. Me put that one for side, eh? Cause I say me I come see you now. You know say now new month now, and as it be now another rent don't deal with that for make you pay me rent now. That's me I take and I can't see you.
You're not supposed to come my side now. Me and you get agreement.
Asabi say we get agreement, eh? But just make I come remind you of the agreement. But as you don't remember, say we get agreement now. Be like say agreement don't agree with that. Yeah.
Small picking. I'm not forget.
We do okay. And me I go see other people inside the compound.
Well done.
Now do well, oh.
The landlord.
Now so still now, eh?
I don't go through it.
Now which kind of agreement you get with Oga landlord?
Down. This time now for us to chop mango. You don't know what the mango do for body. In this thing, no, it got.
There's this one.
It get where they have.
Sweet person one.
Papa Simon,
no, so as I marry you, I not go rest for this life. I not go rest.
Why I go let you rest?
I not go rest.
I go let you rest when you don't want to give me money. But no, me no go give me money. Make I take cook food for this ass.
What's the problem? No, but last week I pack money give you.
Simon, hey, which money you give me? Hey, this man, you don't have same. How can you expect me to hold 600 naira since last week where I used to cook food for you? And you expect me to hold that 600 naira till now? You don't get shame for your face.
No, I dey pluck money now. Money what give you make you take care of family. Now you not dey stress me. You dey stress me. 600 naira not be money what pack give you.
Give your wife money.
How I didn't get me and Mara.
Your hand too tight. Open up.
Who call you? For this company, everybody mind the lane. Every man with ticket for this company. Not bring your matter come my family.
Now wow, what did they happen here? Now why not they shout? Now one shout collapse my building. Wait till they stop now. Shout. The whole neighborhood they hear the thing where they go.
Okay, I pack money give this woman last week. You got the bless I be ritualist.
Half a them. You ready just they talk wing. Papa Simon, give me money. I said give me money for food. You hear me so? You don't go anywhere before you giving me money for food. You understand?
Waiting go happen. Okay, look. Here's the thing. This matter when they talk, may not settle down one later. Wait till they stop now. Now my rent money. Well, what? Now my rent money. Oh yeah, right now I won't collect my rent money. I need my money. Oh. This one when they do, may not settle down later. I beg.
Landlord. Now today I know say you get bad energy. You be bad person.
Look
so on top this matter where they grind, see they talk of your rent.
Well, I don't go pay for rent. Wait, you say wait. You say wait, Oga, wait. He said something like sympathy call sympathy. Now somebody go pay for the rent.
See,
now I go chop. I beg come on, Joe.
Baba landlord. Next week I dey expect block. If he come, I'll push and give you. You know how we dey do now.
Next week,
I'll push and give you.
That one sound like it be like song to my ear. Next week, okay. I better make I tell you something. Make that next week no fail.
No, worry.
Make I tell you now. I don't even put vacancy post for outside self. So if I don't pay me next week like this, I don't go with that. That na boy Simon self. What did they do? Since Naomi is small, now make the boy come be my house boy for 1 week. 1 week period now, make him my house boy. As na parents now, when the boy fit follow now.
Baba landlord.
Yes, sir.
As he dey so. Just take I say you don't get house boy.
Man, now they talk now. Now they talk now. Now some man now.
Baba
man you be. Now man you be.
Which kind talk be that, Baba Simon?
I day your day. Leave me make a rest.
Na good man, that man be. That's how they talk now.
See father and husband wey person get. Oh my God of Nazareth, you father bosom. Okara Lord, please. I beg. He said, "Ora, we person go fit. Yours handle this thing. Yours to settle the matter because you see Simon.
Chill.
Now my pikin.
Chill now.
Another way we fit settle this matter because you see my son. Like,
did you see another way?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's another way.
Yes, sir.
Girl, chill, relax.
Relax.
I've been watching you for a long time. You're a sweet ass woman. Yeah. You're sweet. Look, let's keep it real, right? We're gonna keep it real. You're a woman, I'm a man. And I know you sweet. You sweet. I could taste you from afar.
How?
So look, let's work a deal, right? You got something I like, I got something I could give you, and we're gonna be straight.
You say something. So
I got something I give you. It's a lot of benefits. You know what benefits mean, right? A lot of benefits that's gonna come. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
I think about some.
See, with that, you ain't gotta worry about the rent. Y'all can stay in the house for free.
Free?
Girl, I'm not. What, you think I'm playing?
I can stay inside this house. Me and my husband and
I've been watching
children.
you for a long time, shorty. For real.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
This life just stay one kind. Oh, just in a minute, it go blow your mind. This life in no balance. I swear in no balance. If you sabi this one, just know and no say you know sabi the other one. No, the hustle is real and nobody want to carry last. Oh, use what you get to get what you want.
You're so sweet. You're so sweet. So this is what your husband be rocking, huh? This is what your husband be enjoying. But babe, I got you. I told you I got you, man. It's a lot of benefits that's gonna come forth. You know what I'm saying? For real.
Okay, Lord, I don't sleep with you because say you get money. Now because say I don't want make my son come they do labor work for your house, and I don't want make you come pursue us come out for us say because we don't get money.
Girl, don't worry. Now me supposed to thank you, eh? Just hold this in your hand a little bit, okay? It's more, a whole lot more to come. I got dollars coming for you, baby. Like for real.
Lola, you have
no, let me go say thank you. Let me go say thank you. Thank you. You're so sweet. I got dollars.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I got dollars.
It came in your dollars. Passing back, or Garando get dollars.
Now, wow. Husband, they knock outside. Even wife, they knock landlord. Hey! But we shall not blame the woman. Now, condition, bend crayfish. Hey, your brother not wala. Shalom.
Exchange for the POS. So enjoy the service without stress. Don't forget your service charge.
You never change. You were faithful to me. Faithful God, I worship you. I worship you. You are too faithful.
Look at I enjoy myself. Come on, Joe. You see this road with the pass? I don't pass some plenty times. And you go to see the road smooth. Until you go this one, I'm taking point. See, I don't slap you before. What's not do where I'm going to slap me? You no go understand me that. You no go understand. See, you see I give you the bath. This guy told me to do. I don't do one before. And she catch me. See, the guy slap. Which she give me 2 weeks. 2 weeks. My you know hear anything. She bang, I know hear. See, it better make you come out for that place before she catch you. Come on, go.
Good evening, Oga.
Good evening.
I want to withdraw money.
How much?
20K. How much be your charges?
You sure say you mean now? You say how much be your charges? They set things for me. How much be your charges? Leave her. Leave charges. Leave charges. I don't say collect charges from fine girls. Hey!
Now you say you be better man be that too.
Ask people now. I correct, overcorrect, they worry me. Savings or current?
Savings.
Savings. Okay. Yeah, put your pin. Hey. So everything on the point. If I say, I never see this way. If I say you they new for this area.
Yes, sir.
Last week.
Oh, you just really come?
Yeah.
Ah, na better area you come. Yes, so. Na better area. You go enjoy this area well.
No,
we don't get problem. In case you need somebody, you know, as a newcomer, you need somebody who go help you, show you around, like help you paint your room, help you set up your bed, help you test the bed. I
P.O.S. If you no bring, you no go take. P.O.S. You no matter who you be, you must not exchange for the P.O.S. Enjoy this thing.
Oh, Azimbo is not gonna want side, all woman ways. Come, where you race since morning?
I go somewhere.
Simon, come here. That somewhere doesn't have name. If to stay for one place like this, you don't fit. Not to just they walk up and down.
What you want make I day here to do for you now? Person no fit come out again. Now waka now come out, small come out where I come out. I the waka.
Anyway, look you. Isn't me that you don't look to that? Simon, if you know the amount of sacrifice I have done for you and now you're useless, Papa. You don't stand for here, begin to ask me that kind of stupid question. Oh,
No vex.
What do you talk?
I say make you no vex now.
I don't blame you now. You don't turn big boy now. Look you. Look, you don't wear big t-shirt. You don't get baby.
All this talk now, waiting bring and talk. I don't tell you no vex. No vex, you see they talk plenty now.
Anyway, change of topic. Landlord come house. He come collect rent money. Your papa no get rent money to pay him. Now landlord come talk say make them use you talk the house boy.
You say waiting.
Yeah, you go to house boy for landlord.
Make I go do house boy for landlord. I was waiting now.
As boy.
Which kind of mumu boy be that one? So you no see any other boy to do. Nah, I know they go anywhere. I know they go anywhere. That one when they talk now.
You don't go anywhere, Abi. Okay. Anyway. Is it not your father that doesn't pay rent? The man no pay rent now. You go see when he get money like this now, so you go carry the money, they go pay paro. You they ring. You go ring here, you go ring there, you go ring. That's how you go begin the work. They come like thing, go like this, they come hands. Oh, your father song. Anyway, sir. I thank God for everything. If to say no be for God, you for wrong they go around man house now, go to row away boy more. But as you can see, things have changed. It's okay. I just thank God. Let me go inside. Now you come find food job.
Come go do hard, bro. I couldn't go anywhere. That one on our own.
So they look everywhere. I see. I they like to first to radio. Wait. You know, everybody get with the sweeper. I just tune the radio.
What did they make that noise?
Which noise? That thing go be rats now. You know all these rats when they not get respect for anybody.
Go check them.
Which kind of talk with that?
Go check them.
You and rat get what they do together. Let's leave rat may do their work with their own.
Just go check them out.
I believe that in first.
Just go check them.
No, this child will not get respect. Why be saying I'm now? What place to do? What is your problem? Nothing. God, what is your problem? Why we say you and your brother anytime when sister I get a visitor, now that to play foolish play with the enter on our head.
No, hungry they catch him. That's why I say, Mama, come kitchen, come shop.
Come out those teeth for your mouth. You face like hunger.
No.
Take. Go buy food chop. Idiot.
Thank you, sir.
Not thank me, go.
My guy.
Simon. How far now?
You dey enjoy now.
Simon.
You dey enjoy.
How far now? How you dey?
Enjoyment won't kill you.
For good.
Your P-man nko.
My pardon? That one dey inside now. He dey inside with a new woman wey don bring come house. Dey enjoy. As I dey like this, now I no get time. You sef I dey enjoy. No time.
That's your P-man. Now woman go kill him.
Now
you know. Like woman. Every day woman. Now wow. Your brother Sabi Nusunko.
That one yansh no dey see that one place. Now when it's sweet time, now you go come house. How far? Join me now, chop.
Chop your food, Jare. I don't get joy like this. I don't want chop.
Wetin happen now? On the normally, if you see food, you know they deny am. Wetin so?
I just dey reason my life.
Wetin dey reason?
I dey reason way forward like this. Imagine una landlord though. Una landlord look me finish. Fine boy like me. Husband material. Can't tell me make I go do house boy work for am. Hey, hear that kind of talk wey una landlord fit talk. Hear that kind of talk.
Simon. Wait oh. Person see you like this. Offer you house boy. You no collect am. You can't dey tell me. See, make I tell you now the most best work wey you fit see be that. Man, see, I said that work.
They offer me job. You don't smoke, abi. Something they do you for your brain. They offer me job. House boy work. Now they offer me. Make I go do am, abi. Shey, I don't see any other job for this life.
Make I tell you. Bro, that work go fit you. Now, if I try tell you be that, go do this work.
I don't blame you.
The one you don't sit down for again, you don't do anything.
I don't blame you now. Thunder, now I go fire you for that place where you did so.
No, yeah, wait now. Person not they follow you play.
I beg, get out. Take your plate. Take it for your pocket.
I beg, find your way. I not get time.
For the B-O-S. So enjoy the service.
What is it you said you wanted to talk to me about?
I have a business proposal for you. One that will fetch you so much money.
Now you can't waste time to tell me. As long as say money dey involved and not be to keep person, I dey game. Now straight I do.
Look, we are not killing anybody. You see all this English where they speak around for free. You go to speak them, then go to pay you. How does that sound?
Hold on. Only to speak English.
Only to speak English.
Now you say wahala no dinner.
I knew it.
There's absolutely no problem whatsoever. I'm going.
Can we shake on that? Bad.
You made me bad. Let's go before anybody notices.
B-O-S.
Good afternoon, my handsome, beautiful, sweet tenant. I greet you now. Well. How na day now?
We do.
And the reason why I've been make we gather today, it get one sweet joy wey dey sweet me for my side. It get something wey sweet something wey dey now wey be say it go change all our lives. Make I introduce to now new neighbor. These people na be special people. One of them na ambassador. The other one fine woman like this na British Empire. Yes, so abeg make na welcome them now. Make na clap for them, abeg make dem enter. Abeg make na dey come. Na dem be this o. Hey, yes o. Make na clap now.
Wait, now could I have this?
No, almost, ma'am.
Almost.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're really elated to be here today. And we're excited to be seeing you, beloved citizens of this country. Yeah, so let me properly introduce myself. My name is Franklin, and I work with the Nigerian Embassy to America. And beside me here is the second in line, to the British Empire. Her name is Elizabeth, comma.
Elizabeth. See Pekin. They see you born.
Oh!
Even the shoe na trouser. Not the razor, not the razor. Not the razor. Make person not go peace for body for here.
I love you already.
You're far too kind, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, beautiful and handsome people. I am super elated and very excited to be here today. To work hand in hand together with you to ensure greater heights for us all.
Okay, so we're so excited that you're already excited even without knowing why we're here. But it's okay. It's okay. So I'll just explain things to you. The greater heights that she's talking about is this. How many of you have had this dream to travel to America or England, and this dream hasn't come to fruition? Raise your hands. Okay, so because of maybe lack of money or other factors.
See, no day why they sleep for night, why they dream. They see myself for America, they see myself everywhere, all the countries. But if I wake up now, this hellfire in disguise of a country, I see myself. I know. This is not the vex myself.
Why they call and dream?
Now you have no reason to worry, as Elizabeth and I have come to make this dream come to pass. All right? With just little amount of money, your dream of traveling to America or England will come to fruition.
Okay, make I understand myself. Because at the line make matter they clear.
Like
waiting you they try talk now be say, if as I did now, I decide, say I won't make me and my sweetheart go America, you go fit make am possible.
Absolutely. Oh! Absolutely. And I will tell you the juicy part. The juicy part is that when you arrive these countries, you'll be given a car and a house and some money to spend. One house. Okay, she wants to say something.
Landlord, where I don't be for Nigeria. Now we'll go be.
Okay. You want to say something?
Wait.
All right. Let us say something.
Okay, you say you be British ambassador, but wait till God carry you come. This our face me, I face you compound.
My son, God go bless you. You can't be like saying they my mind. You can't be like saying they my mind.
Oh yes.
Yes. Why do they do this?
I don't even think I'm gonna settle. Everybody go. You're waiting.
Okay, first of all, I must correct you. I work with the Nigerian embassy to America. Okay. Now, to your question, yeah, we have lots of kidnappers and armed bandits, roaming the streets. So because of that, we decided to keep a low profile.
We understand.
Get to a place like this. Yes.
Hello, Whiskey. Hello, Ayo.
Hey, Ayo, what is this idiot? Hey, my brother, all you day your head. You know, say make kidnappers eye no come shook enter your body.
Ambassadora, see, na money I not get. If not, I get sense. Na me be wisdom. This matter, I better look front. First
wisdom,
front. This matter with the grand so. I bet na how much? Bogrify. How much? Cash. My person if you run this matter.
It's a bit just 300,000 naira only. So
I don't go America.
300,000. You get 300,000.
See people. For your mind now, as we did here, we did the same place.
They take letters, we ring the same garage together.
Oga, come over here.
See, Oga.
Yes.
Wait. See, make I get her, make it dey clear way.
Okay.
Because this 300 bar way you talk so, I don't know because as you see me so, I just dey born children. They never too many, but I get family, I get many people. So the 300,000, I don't know whether I go carry the family or my community.
No. Una full state.
It's just for one person.
No, leave him.
It's just for one person.
I'm not talk to you.
Shut up your mouth.
I'm not talk to you. Look, I'm not talk to you. You don't hear me so. If you get money,
Una no go anywhere.
What you gonna do for here?
I say you see.
Oh my goodness. Baby, you just messed them up. You know what you do outside there? Huh? British accent just to go up and down, up and down, up and down. But you just confuse these people. Oh, this is a major cashing out too. I swear to God.
Oh, you just they bust my head. They follow me talk like say you know sabi why I be. Not be today now. Na street with the run, bros.
Damn.
You not sabi anything. That one safe. Na small thing. This one we been see me doing. Na just the tip of the iceberg. I never see anything. I dey tell you.
Now you sha. You. But you know so we'll cash out, sha. Sure. It's a major cashing out. The British accent go to fly high. The cash go to rolling. We go this stew. We go this stew.
I can't wait. But you've been seriously pay house rent for here.
Now you need to invest money to make money. I invested 50,000 here to make millions.
True.
That's how it works.
No wow. Now you be my guy. My guyest guy. I trust you die.
You know my baby.
I beg, if you roll me small cash, I want to arrange some small levels, I beg.
Make I take say you know the 2 year well for after.
Cutting board dey my ear.
I tell you before say cash no, I don't use the last one where I get paid for this place.
Not be me the filter.
Oh now what's that? I thought you will hear my voice. What did I tell you before now? 50K I use rent this place and the last cash what I get.
Oh wow. No, I'm not. Money go see.
Come, we go ball big time.
That's it. No wahala.
See, we
I don't even know how to put this thing where you make you understand what they talk. See, as we dey here now, me and you sit down for here now. Not be we dey here. As me and you sit down for here, so use your mind, comot all these yama things where they see. Use your mind, create America street put here. We dey America already.
No lie.
Waiting remain and just that small balance where I'll give this guy. Once I buy another ticket, my ticket they don't give me. America so say.
Wait.
We don't go.
So you mean say Lydia here? Don't reach America.
Now you dey underrate me now.
Hey God. This one suits me.
Yes, sir.
But wait, so what about your children?
What do you do then?
They no go.
Only you they go comot yourself for where they put you. Where do you do my children? Okay, so if you be me now, you carry all those things, they go America. Go to America with vitamin.
You know.
You know the cities?
You know. They go get one.
You know the cities? America never say anything. They say, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Once you show, hey, it's on! Hey.
So me, Lydia, don't reach America.
One thing where I no go fit do now make I go give what people chance to talk say I use hunger kill my children. I know if you do that one. So I make sure say I go buy enough bags of fufu down for them where they chop.
Only fufu.
What do they want to do? Yeah, already.
You take this news where you give me. You deserve something. Come, we'll go inside. You get something where I want to show you.
You see, now this stinginess is not my problem with you. See better news where I give you. It is what they pay me now to show me something. You
all this package now you get some.
We go do something.
You too spoil. You too spoil.
You don't go blame me. See, once I see these things, what I see this is my body not be my body again. If I just in between here die put there, I die where? If they catch me there, well, you don't use the two machine gun press me. I did there faint. Anybody will come see where I die put. You say, oh, he die where?
You just more go inside. I'll show you what I want to
show. Welcome.
Landlord.
Oh no.
Why they mount me now? What's happen?
You know why I mount now? As I be say business, they good today now. So I just stay and make you roger me now. You know?
I dey sell crayfish. It shouldn't be business. I don't understand.
I know say you know they sell crayfish. But you know say plenty things wey woman pikin they sell.
Which kind of talk be that to landlord? See, Oga, because I dey say your company, nobody say go dey talk to me anyhow.
Oh, there no verse. Sorry, no verse, no verse. Now I say make you roger me sharp now, so I no go talk thing we go make you verse. You know, that's all.
You talk to person anyhow. Once you see money like this, and that time person go dey see you for compound.
No verse. Just roger me sharp, you know. That's all.
I beg take your money.
Business woman. Now those they go to sell that thing as if say na biscuit. Make them sell the thing reach this side now. Now they go to do shakara. Nonsense.
Yeah. This kind sexy dressing like this, babe. Where you go?
I go see Ambassador Franklin.
Wait. Which Ambassador Franklin?
Don't tell me say you don't know Ambassador Franklin again.
See, babe. I don't know what thing they worry me these days. Anytime why they think of to go see that man, I just forget.
It's obvious you're not ready to travel out. Because as you see me so, I'm already there.
If I hear say me, Clara, no one go America, I dey craze. Ha!
My friend, which money you want to go there abroad?
Which money?
You get money.
You uncle, you get money. You get money.
I don't gather small. And I won't go top am up with. You understand now?
I understand that. The other way now.
Of course
not.
No,
be you again.
No.
Baby, you bad.
Omo, if I'm not bad, you will come bad.
You
Babe.
too bad.
I'll see you later, baby. Opa, look hot.
They go, Joe.
Think I smell nice.
Oh, yes.
All right, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
They go.
Looks like we're aiming for some serious business this morning.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. You know, I didn't know you were this eloquent.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You know they say when you go to Rome, you behave like a Roman. So I just want to be like you guys at this one.
Wow, that's good. You know, with your level of eloquence and this great future you carry behind you, you're automatically American material.
And what do you mean by great future behind me?
Come on, sis. Are you trying to tell me that you were not aware that you carry the anointing that heals the sick and raises the dead behind you?
You're so funny. And I know you reflect.
It depends on what you mean by that.
So I'm here to make part payments.
Okay.
For my American trip.
Okay.
I'm going to do a transfer.
Sure.
Okay, so the remaining balance, I will pay you in cash, or do you want it in kind?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Only a fool will let his anointing pass him by.
Alright, so let me know, right?
Sure. I will be patiently waiting for my anointing to come meet me. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's a lot. A lot.
If you not take this American matter, our man, you know if they earth matters at all. Now today they tell you say you no get mama, you no get papa. You realize now it's better for you. I don't crack brain tire. I don't crack brain tire. I don't know what to do. But anything, shall nothing come out. Nothing come out. Na better solution. Use your papa go do money ritual.
Wait, you get sense at all? No. You get sense at all? No, you carry our papa go do money ritual. I'm waiting they talk.
What do you want make I talk?
Wait, I want make you talk. Now to find another way. Another way now we go find. I don't get that nonsense where they talk. Simon, how you uncle?
As I dance, if I tell you say I know as you want it happening, I lie now the lie. But any I want be sharp. God no go shame us. We'll survive.
No be Papa be that.
Naimo. Shebi una don help me see where this man money dey go. Night na yash, money nyash. I thunder na him go fire am for that place where he dey so. Abeg make we comot for here before him come see me.
Okada no say I don't like wetin you do this morning. See, what if my husband will understand that thing we do?
No vex. My sweet son. I know say you no go understand. Now the reason why I say make I play with that small with that. I know say you no go understand.
Okada no, that's a very expensive play. Don't you like that again? Okada no, I don't like that yo. I see. I know your expensive play. Okay. Now, don't your expensive your again for me.
Okay, no verse.
This can't think me that now.
No verse now. Are you too the verse, sef?
Where go vex?
Make I ask you now. Make I ask you again now. When we go feed do am again now, make I play with them. I say, you say you sweet die, eh? You know now. You know say they enjoy that thing well now. Come on now.
Okay, you say you won't do waiting.
You know now.
I don't know.
As we do before now.
Hey,
that sweet something. Make that sweet something.
Oh, yeah,
that they enter your body now.
Me and you not do anything. You understand? Listen to me very careful. The reason why I have sex with you is because I don't want to make my son come do labor work for your house. And secondly, say we know for parents, so that's why.
They serious job. Money deal, plenty money they will forgive. I go give you. Even dollar safe. I tell you that is a dollar day. They come.
Okay, landlord, keep your dollars. I will not do you sex again. I don't want sex from you again.
They go dead you.
Okay, landlord, I don't tell you say we don't go do anything again.
When they do this woman safe, how that thing sweet die? Make you give me that sweet something. Okay, no wahala. Shebi rent go soon you go dey due now. And I go pay you. And I go pay the rent.
Amaka, mama.
Sweet Amaka fana.
Say your body kakraka. Person no finish say you don't born o. Just dey kakraka.
I go want you for this compound. What did they worry you? You touch me. I go break you. Sabinus, I go break you.
Say your body go just catch fire.
Sabinus, why you like me? Who said you like me?
Wait, what did they try to tell me? Say I go first take permission. Hi. Now my heart I blame. If I say I go use control my heart, I go control.
Come on, get out! Get out! You unfortunate Aboki. Control of heart. Nah, bro, sorry, nah,
don't worry, I will come out. When I don't make them, why I don't keep 15 mansion? Keep down. Don't worry, I will come back and I will shock you. I will shock you.
Shock absorber. You make them. What do you say if you make them for this life? You cannot make it. Unfortunate Aboki.
Hey.
It's not sorry, Napwala. Now they see fine girl from that place. Obro so Napwala ndala. Nonsense. Hi. 50 match.
If you bring, you go get. Now waiting you carry come on board, go determine waiting you go get.
My mind not do here again. The America game, my mind.
America game. Hey, that America will just talk. I be one reason with you because 4 days ago I call one of my friends say how person won't fit enter America. You can't tell me say America appointment no deal. Say 2028. Naya appointment day. I say if I buy visa free now, if I die before 2028, how I go to enter America again?
No, that not be problem. Not be problem. Once you die before your visa date, the embassy now will come write you your family letter.
Okay.
Say me they carry your dead body come.
If they work like that?
Well now. So the only thing you all need to do, immediately you see say you won't die, tell your family.
Okay.
Say me they not quick bury you. Because your dead body will eventually go for visa appointment.
Every day like this, if I come here, I'm learning more. I will go do am. I won't make you give me link. I won't enter America. I won't make you just arrange anything.
Hey, not be help. Link there now. Oh, that Americana woman where I tell you say you won't carry us good. Link there. Not be link with the problem. Now money now be the problem.
Hey, Cletus, do it for me now. Do it for me now. Spend all the money on me. If I reach there 2 days, even 2 weeks, I will just pack all the money, pack am, enter your account. I don't send you.
You're not going to even work. As you dey from airport go anywhere where you want to go stay. For the street like this, you will hear pick dollars. Yeah. You they pack the dollars for street.
For the street?
Idiot. I wish River there you may push you enter. Say make I put me go push you go America. Come, if you be embassy, say you dey give visa, you give person like you visa.
What do me?
You don't know what to do you.
Nothing now.
No, you don't know where fit you.
Where?
If you go America, all this Cotonou, Togo, which people will go there?
My destiny no go that place.
Who tell you? Your destiny deceive you. My brother and there fit you. Go check him. Check anybody who see where he come from Togo. May stand like this, stand near him. You see so na resemble.
But I dream say I go America.
Na bad dream.
Even American visa getting price, but don't forget your
Mommy.
Yes?
Won't you like to go to America like our neighbors?
My pikin, who no go like go America? I go now. I go like go.
Won't you take me along with you?
If I don't take you, who I won't take? I'll go take you before these children go hook you up. Make these Yahoo boys no carry you do ritual.
Why are you going to see the money?
My pikin, you get sense. But you know, see your mama na Igbo woman with the hustle. I go hustle. No worry, the money go come here. Let me go and drop you in school before you're late, okay?
I forgot my water bottle inside the house. Let me go and get it.
Go and get it.
Amaka, baby.
Landlord, good morning. How far?
Good morning. How you doing now?
I dey fine. Wetin I fit do for you?
Plenty things there where you fit do for a person, but right now that one no be the reason why I come. I come because rent don't due now. House rent now. Me I can't collect my house rent.
Which rent? I don't get money.
What do you mean say you no get money now?
I don't get money to pay.
You go get money oh. You go get money or else.
Or else waiting. Wetin go happen? I hold you for block us. See you. Wetin you go do? Or you won't bench me like you dey do Mama Simon? No. Make I talk now. No. Wetin you go do?
Okay.
Wetin dey worry you?
No let anybody hear now.
See, from today, I'm not going to pay rent again. In fact, even if I dey pay, I'm going to comot my 10,000 my allowance for the month. Oh yeah, give me 10,000. Give me the 10,000.
Oh, Maka, calm down now. Hey. Wow. Hey, see my life.
You see the counter, give me. Landlord, give me. Bro, sorry now, Paula. This is get sense. They go. My pikin, they come.
Which kind of wahala I can't find myself? What be all this nonsense?
Service charge, my child.
I can't find myself for nothing.
Oh yeah, let's go. This is only you get sense, not
Guys, a very big fuck up. Big one.
Like this, I just the reason wetin I want to do that oga landlord. He go shock am like saying electric na touch am. When I don't finish with am, it go be like saying I'm film na in the act.
You see the reason why I talk say make people also get money. You see the reason why. Look inside that compound now. See us everywhere just scatter, nothing good for there. All this kind of thing they tire me.
You don't talk and finish now. Now my papa now the blame. Instead waiting for take money when get, take parents, make person for day alright. In take and follow all these small girls anyhow. How you no go give chance me or Galan come they follow my mom they do anyhow now? How you no go give chance?
Guy, that pepper city man.
If you for kitchen now. But wait oh. What do you want carry pepper do now? You remember that last time where Pepe been there involved? You remember wetin happen? See, as I did like this, I don't want wahala. I do on my lane. I did on my waiting, on my lane.
No worry yourself. This one no go be like last time. We won't just teach am small lesson so that your head go correct. Barnabas, Simon.
Follow me.
Abeg, may na forgive me now. Eh? I say I dey sorry now. May na forgive me. I no go do am again. I no go do am again.
Shut up, Lemadia!
May na no vex now.
Where you? Anything I talk, you go follow me talk am. Shey dey hear me, ba? Oya shout, say I dey hear you.
I dey hear you.
Look this side, I dey follow you talk.
No vex.
Say I no go ever.
I no go ever.
You dey talk am with low tone.
I no go ever.
Oya shout am. I no go ever.
I no go ever.
Put my eye. For person wife. Or mama. Again. Oya talk am.
I no go ever put my eye for any person wife or mama again.
Oya show your hand. You dey craze? I dey tell you make you show your hand. You dey tell me wetin be show your hand. Stretch am forward.
Ah! Hey.
You dey shout, abi? You dey shout. When you dey do my mama, you no shout. Show your hand.
Go to one round where
one round kill you there. Show your hand.
This thing dey pay person now.
One more time, I'll give you that one. Make you take whole side. Show your hand. Nonsense. Next time, go follow my mama. More they go.
All this because of one stupid round.
Nonsense.
Wow. I think you're a landlord. You want to see me.
You pay now.
Thank you, Mr. T.
Some people they use money go America, but some other people they use their ecus to go America.
Which kind of talk be that? Which kind of talk be that, Amaka?
Cannot get the right to talk with I want for this compound.
What's it concern whether I want use pecus go America? Now your pecus.
It don't concern me, not my pecus. Now your pecus. Use them anyhow way you like. Now be say if na pecus you won't use go America. It goes so far because the way to America too far. They go naka.
Amaka. Amaka. I don't stop you. If you want to use your own pecus go America, make you use them. Leave my pecus alone for me. If you want to use your own, I stop you.
No. Use your own. Una just they use pecus, they oppress people for this compound. Use your fat pecus, so use them. You go soon swear, you go see, you go rotten. Also Napwala.
Hey, okay. Hi. Are you the one I spoke to on the phone?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you. I'm actually expecting a client who wants to go to America. Yeah. So we spoke on the phone. I thought it was you.
Oh, no offense.
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, Mr. Man. I am a Nigerian ambassador to America. Yes, and I don't know, I'm sure you are aware of the fact that you're a good-looking man. Yeah, okay, American material, actually. Yes. Okay, so do you have plans to travel to America anytime soon?
Sure, actually, I'm working on it.
Oh, nice. That's really nice. So, like I said, I'm the Nigerian ambassador to America, and I could get you to America just like that, for a very little amount of money.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah.
All right, no problem.
All right. You here to see someone?
Yeah, my girlfriend, she stays here.
Oh, okay. Run along.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. T.
What's going on? I don't really understand you these days. You don't take calls or return calls. You hardly even come to see me. What's going on?
I'm so sorry, baby. The truth is, I've been so busy with a lot of activities.
Activities more important than me, I guess.
You can't say that. You know there's nothing more important than you. Yeah.
Hey! Now, wow, hey, bros, have fun now.
See as your bobo fresh. Bros, with fresh dye. Sweet food we know the belly food person. Get us be una well done. Well done.
Neighbors are so funny.
Yeah, but really, I'm tired of them.
If you're tired, there's room for you. If you want to change around, there's room, so much room in my place for you if you want to change around it. You know, you're welcome.
Thank you, baby. Oh, thank you. Right, so we walk here.
Yeah, okay. Let's go,
Alright.
baby.
Amaka,
What's happened?
what be that thing we just do now?
Wetin I do? I talk say your boyfriend fine. I do any bad thing.
Wetin be the meaning of fresh food on the belly full person? Wetin be that kind talk?
So I no get right to talk wetin I wan talk for this compound. I better talk, I don't keep person.
Amaka,
Yeah.
avoid me for this compound. Make you just avoid me. See, the next time when you try this thing, when you do again, wetin I go do to you, I no go like am.
What you go do me? You don't do anything. You cannot do more than a hanging pants. You cannot do more than a dead rat or what if you get me. It's not so in Apwala. You're not the only mad person though. You get fine bobo, pino mwa, or no go. Get fine boy like that, but you no go rest. Your back will still they scratch you. No make I ask you, they scratch you.
Avoid me. Avoid me,
oh. Make I avoid you. Stay quiet. Okay, your back will stay one place. Come, back will they scratch. They scratch. Abigail, come make I check.
That baby son go kill. This POS what we supposed to increase the commission. It's not too much.
My very own clutches.
My queen and my king. This is what I see now. I hope there's no problem.
Oh, absolutely no problem, sir. Actually, we came here with a special business proposal, specifically for you.
Business proposal? Ha! I'm saying everywhere don't still be that now.
Yes. Now you see, my queen here told me that you made her really happy the other day when you asked her to speak pidgin.
Now, it was a very funny scenario.
I can imagine.
I had so much fun.
I didn't play that you are not me now like that. Oh, that is with you. And I don't play, I be just a play.
You actually made her happy in the process. And so in return, we have also come to make you happy with a very wonderful offer.
Oh, you also want to make me happy?
Absolutely.
You brought her to make me happy. Now she go use her mouth tell you prophecy. She go share testimony give you. Me. Forget. See, now here they like to start from. Oh, no. By the time I'm through, here, nothing go there. Yes, sir. Not the one I call bend down.
Mr. Cletus, what you're saying is quite far from why we're here.
Yes. But I would like that type of offer. It's okay. So what do you come be the offer?
Well, it's about you traveling to America in a private jet. America.
Which can't play with that? Me. Go America in a private jet.
Doesn't believe.
Nah lie. Nah lie.
It's entirely true, Mr. Cletus. We actually do mean serious business here.
Yes, we do.
You mean them? Eh? No, you mean me. Go America. You never do. Enter private jet.
Only the best for the best.
Oh my God! Oh, this is an attack now.
So, with just a little more money, you'll be on your way to America. All right. Now, this is an offer we don't talk to people about all the time, but we decided to tell you because we like you, and because, of course, you made my queen here, Elizabeth, happy.
You like say you don't know what to be America. You they talk America, they talk money. What it be money?
Oh.
Money. People wey use helicopter go America sef, they pay. Not to talk of me wey wan enter private jet. You understand? Forget money. I wish in the evening time when I come, I never to say like that. See, hold on. Not not be this will not be anything. I just may use this one register me to know say I'm serious. You understand? If I enter bank today, every stupid 1 naira where I get for there, I go withdraw everything I give you.
I like the sound of that.
Me too.
America! Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so my woman here and I, you've made us understand that you're a serious businessman.
If you need me to prove more, I go prove more.
We can't wait for you to prove more.
Okay, even me, I cannot wait to prove more.
It's so funny. Yes. Okay, so we'll just leave now and wait to hear from you.
No problem. No. Now me go call you.
Evening time.
No, now me go call you. Not even bother yourself. Hey! You see why no good make person they lose hope for this life? Play. I don't nearly they regret. Say which kind life be this? Big POS where I go to do. When I want one reach survive. But see where God pass school. Come rescue me.
What? I don't suffer for this my life, oh.
What's happening?
So as that man be like that, he won't sleep with me, oh.
Na man him be now. I don't understand.
Which kind of woman be that one? Don't I go fire her for them?
Calm down. It's not that serious. What's happening?
But anyway, I don't fear.
Fear waiting.
Why not just be addressed?
Huh?
This money we will collect from these people's hand, it don't dey too much. Make problem no come day later.
Which problem one day? Calm down now. See, I tell you, say I dey in charge. I tell you, say we go to cash out. I don't tell you. Yeah, so why
you been talking, and it don't dey happen. But can't they feel like say the money we will collect from their hand don't they too much? Now people money, their hard-earned money will say the joke.
You don't do now. You want to call the put fear for my body? What's happen now? Calm down.
I know they put fear for your body. What's happen at the talk? I cannot express my feelings again.
Take this one. These are dance where you like that. You don't dance.
Franco Nigeria PLC.
Calm down.
My man. My main man.
More go they come. I don't tell you before. Put on for
already
bad. You want to begin counter?
Take the carry fear come on for my body. No wahala, no go counter. Maybe they go ask a beg. And that man no can come up.
Okay, so once again, I want to welcome you all, my amazing citizens and neighbors.
Welcome.
Welcome. So in the absence of the landlord, I don't know why he's not here, but I guess we just have to proceed. I want to use this opportunity to thank you for being so amazing to my colleague and I. You've been amazing, all of you.
Yeah, it is true. You all have been so amazing, nice, kind, and sweet to me since I got here. I can't thank you enough. Thank you all so much.
We go thank you. Now you sweet pass. If you know how some of us they look you, anytime they look you like they play X-ray and they view everything inside my head. Wow. Come, I advise you. No waka lonely road though, because if I catch you, I cannot guarantee waiting be happen.
Okay, yeah, so to those of you that have paid part of your money for your trip to America, and I assure you that you're already in America. Yes, and to those of you that have not paid, you better ensure you do so, because very soon we'll be dispatching our very first batch to America, and you don't want to miss it, trust me.
No, you don't. We have also noticed the majority of you, if not all of you, can't speak proper English language, which is a very important tool if you want to go to the British world or to America.
Yes, and that's not to talk about your dressing. I must say, no offense meant, but most of you dress like bandits.
This is not the turning so.
Abeg o, person wey no come get money to buy this shirt and this clothes, wetin you go come do? And person wey no go school and we no sabi speak all this sweet English, I want take do am.
That's not a problem at all. We actually have in plan for classes to begin soon.
Wait. That arrangement where you talk say you don't make so may not be for anybody. Maybe say now you could just teach us this your sweet English.
Oh, but of course, darling. Yes.
Anyway, English is not actually a problem because, I mean,
for someone like me. I was born in the UK, but I just had to come back to this hellfire of a country.
Since when?
It concerns you.
Anywho, if you want to polish your English more, you're welcome to join the class.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can back out. Back out.
One house. One house. Concerning your clothes, arrangement has been made for that. So, those of you that have paid part of your money, I want to say congratulations. That you're already in America. Congratulations. Jam your hands together for yourselves.
Look you.
Baby. What's happened? Why is your face like this? Your face don't get joy.
Not my face will get joy.
I don't understand. What's it happen?
You don't understand. Now walk, you come here, come walk. Or now so they follow women, they smile up and down.
Which one be to they follow women they smile? I go they bone for these people who go give me money. I go follow them smile so that they go they see me as a very friendly and receptive guy. You know now, you know, they carry face for them.
That smile where I see you and Abigail, they smile, no be friendly smile. I know what I see. Not be friendly smile at all. Make you no be like say on our two don't they get something.
Which one be say we don't they get something? That's all just fine. Even if see me and you we come here to come work, have fun, no. And that is what I intend to do. If me don't the enter person I and ain't ready to give me the puna, I go accept that with both hands. After all, you and I were not dating.
So it not come this your kunkulu sense. Say if they follow them around, they have sex with them, you know, show respect for my own side, Abby.
How you going to tell that cat? Even the president of the world go they respect you. You know the kind of English way they speak. You know the kind of English way, the kind of grammar way they those people will never stop respecting you. Calm down.
Now they tell me to calm down. Now you make it they calm your dick down. Warn your family.
Oh, the way they talk, make you don't be say you don't they like me. Oh. You know now you want to tell me. And now the way you just they overprotect me like that. If you like me, tell me. If you go give me the puna, you give me the puna, I go come on eye from other girls.
Why I go like you? Which kind of like next to that one? I just want you to take careful.
Baby. This your own be careful, eh? You don't pass normal, be careful. Eh?
I beg, give me John.
You sure see?
POS. If you no bring, you no go take.
Come and say this thing. I don't know why you just.
You no matter who you be, you
must
go exchange for the POS. So enjoy the service without stress. Don't forget you.
Mariam, now maybe this one.
This one we say today na swear tomorrow na that thing we person go record. Take what time I can give you.
You no go allow me shop make a rest. You don't come again, no.
Okay, Papa Simon, I just want to ask one question like this now. Now, I want to ask, why is it that case every time you say call you sweetheart, darling, what's gonna happen?
Since I marry you, you don't call me another name before. You don't call me any name where sweet before. The only thing where you do for this life where sweet na soup. Because of where you from come. Now let me marry you. See, take your time, oh. Which girl? I be robo man, I feel marry. Which girl you dey talk?
Is it not a risabe, Ramo? I come on a risabe. Eh? No be the other day like this. He come, he call you sweetheart today. Today now he can't call you laling here, laling there. Every time sweetheart. So is it something you guys are doing? Where we say I don't know. You want to confess now? You have something where you want to confess? Confess now.
Small sense you not get. That British woman, you don't see anybody like na me. Na me. No, na me na. Na me like. You just there, they stress my life anyhow because I go, look. No problem. I just shop my food though. Yeah. I want to let you know, say me and that woman not be category. She not go fit do anything with me. So if you don't know me, you know now. Just get here, they worry me. You not call me anything.
Where I go first? Where I go first? Person just they call you laling, just they call laling, they go laling all the time.
Say laling ekba na, ekba. You no get sense. Call me better name they say laling. Idiot.
Exemplaire. Hi. That thing get meaning so. For exemplaire. Which kind wahala this boy just want put person now? Eh? Therefore leave me make I dey knack my pidgin English they go. Not be I don't they speak come since they born me. Just wake up and say make person begin speak English. Then they learn left hand for old age. Hi. Like, now me even they cause trouble. I don't jump chapter 1, chapter 2, go chapter 3. Eh? Who never learn how to crawl, won't go begin run. Hey. So you'll be like drawing.
Hello.
Okay.
Mr. Cletus.
Boule. Vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Vocabulary.
Hey. I beg. I no fit. Forget him. This it don't work.
You actually don't seem happy. What is the problem?
Not be this English one as make I dey speak. Eh? You know they enter since morning. Me and the book dey here. Not one thing for inside. I not sabi. As I dey look at like this, it be me like the thing they mix together. Like plenty ants just did the book they waka. And nothing where I know for inside.
Okay. Is that it? Okay. I totally understand what you're going through. Okay, but trust me when I say everything is going to be fine. And in no time at all. It won't even take a day.
Oh.
You know what they say? Practice does make perfect.
I go die for practice. About this way, you know hear them. You the first know something before you begin practicing. I never know anything, so make I dey practice am. What I dey practice? I dey just deceive myself.
Come on.
God, it be like say I go hang boot for this America matter. May I forget I know
Oh no,
myself.
come on, you can't do that. Don't say that. Like I told you, everything is going to be fine. For instance, look how gorgeous you look in this outfit.
You like her?
I do.
You fit me, Abi?
Show me. Turn around. 100% fitting.
No, me know that one. If not for fitting, you know get problem.
Yeah.
They born fitting.
If
now this fitting be the exam to go America, they go even make me ambassador for that side. But when they see fitting, they will run.
True that.
That's just this book side now. The problem there.
It's not a problem.
Now go help me come on that side.
No. I could come by evening time to help you. Okay?
Help me do it. You don't know what the meaning of help. Help be say person they do something, you will help them. What do they do? What do I know where they do where you want help me?
You're already doing it. Vocabulary. See? Baby steps.
No, vocabulary. And vosa, where are they talking? Now the same thing.
Landlord, long time no see. This one way they waka like Egyptian mommy.
My sister, the day when my eye don't see, Mama no fit talk. Mama, you no fit talk. Anyhow, anybody ask for me?
Anybody like who?
You know, not like Papa Simon.
No, why?
Is they okay? No wahala, nobody ask now. Everything they okay.
Hey, landlord, hold on. Come. Have fun now. You know, say na end of the month. My allowinko.
Amaka. Alawi. But I tell you, make you calm down small now. As I just they come from hospital.
The small money where I get for her, I don't spend and finish. You go give me small time. Just give me small time, like just small time, eh?
See, landlord, I don't get time. Okay, give you small time, like how long?
Like 1 week. Max 1 week.
1 week too far. Hey, no worry, no worry. I'll get it though. See, now your rent be this. Before you take a make I take my alawi 10,000.
Hey.
Take her. So now your balance be this.
You come more 10,000.
It make it easy for you now. Hey. Thank you. It's good doing business with you.
Because I enjoy that woman just one time. And I can't just collect money from me anyhow. Wow. One time where I enjoy this woman. Only one time. When they do all this wahala.
Mumu man.
Wow.
They can't afford anything. Abroad sign up.
Just in a minute.
Simon, come jump now. Why you don't come jump now?
This life in no balance.
Why you go jump when you say you're hungry? And why your face there like that? You just stay straight like this, like say you reverse.
Why I no go vex for you? Why I no go vex for you?
The hustle is the real. Nobody want to carry
You don't know what you do, Abi. They ask me that question. Okay, no. Why you go sleep with your girl? It shock you, Abi?
No, Simon. No, that's a very, very expensive. You understand? I don't do that kind of thing. I don't do it. I would talk like that now. Me, your mama goes to do that for what thing now? No, it's not me.
You did deny her.
Why
You did deny her, Abi? So if I give you Bible now, so make you take swear on top God name, say you know do you go fit swear.
Bible.
You go fit swear.
Simon.
You know if you talk again, Abi. You scratch hand, you scratch eye, you scratch head. You know if you talk again, Abi.
Simon, see, let me tell you, it's not like that. If it's not like that, let me, Simon, wait. Simon, what you want to make a dog? What you want to make a dog now? Hey, my son, see, me gonna tell you, I do one because of you and that your useless papa. See, your father, I love your father. No, see, but I no be say I just go say the things with me. No, you know sweet me. But no, they were going to sit up for themselves. They think and they reason nothing. I regret them. But I used to them because I don't get choice.
No, they tell me that thing.
Oh, Simon.
No, they tell me that one. What if you no get choice? If you say you tell and say you know they do am. If for comfort you make you do am. Why you no tell and say you no good do am? They tell me say you no get choice.
Simon, please, I tell you, please, I don't know again.
Make I tell you my mind as it be like this. You and my papa, you don't tire me.
Simon, don't talk like that now.
You don't tire me.
No,
they hold me. No,
Simon. Oh, Simon, it's not like that. Let me explain. Oh, yamio, saying to level. Which kind of level will this? Which angel of the devil pass like this? Carry this thing, come give this family.
Some people who get waiting, some people who want to give and take. Is the honor of the game, sure get.
This one just dey burn face like something wey dey pour shit so. Don't say that oga landlord. Wetin your mama and oga landlord do still dey your body so. Just small thing. You oga landlord follow your male do. Just dey para, they para anyhow. Don't dey para anyhow.
Which kind of mumu talk be that one? Which kind of mumu talk come be that one?
See, guy, me I just dey talk my own o. Because the kind beat wey you don beat that man no be small beat. You sef you know now. Wey take flog am anyhow. You suppose don't forgive am now. You suppose don't forget this thing. Tay. After all, your papa sef dey sleep with other people wife for this area. You think I not know? Only God know. Maybe he never sleep with our future wife. Now only thing I not know be that.
You see your life, Abi.
The verse.
You see this your life, Abi. Better thing no fit come out for your mouth like this. You know if you talk better thing wey person go just hear like this say this boy don't talk better thing once for your life.
Wait till you want man talk. No, tell me. Just look my eye. Tell me wait till you want man talk. No, just tell me. See, make I tell you, you go just gas share up. You go leave all this matter. Because na so life be. Life no balance. Sometimes we lose. Sometimes we win. You don't understand? So leave this thing. Leave am.
Just be all the front face, see, all the
You get one better matter one one year, you forget all those nonsense. See, I want me you teach me English. Yes, may you teach me English correct. So that means I go dey, I say that woman wey dey up and they speak, that means I want they speak like
Make I teach you English.
Yes, teach me English.
She's the one wey Queen Elizabeth dey teach you, never do you, abi?
Queen waiting, Queen Elizabeth. That one where they talk like say she dey rap. One thing where she dey talk like this, I not hear. I rapping too, it too fast for my ear, it too sweet. So and my me and she, our mind not too clear like that. So I don't want I don't want So that's why I say if you don't teach us finish, I would just like make you just summarize them for me. It don't make sense. Then I go understand. You know, say my man now. You know.
Wahala. No wahala. That one no be wahala. How much you want pay me?
How much I want pay? Me, your friend. How much I want pay? Your friend though. Your friend.
She na friend I want shop.
Na friend you want chop?
I want shop your friendship. How much you want pay me? They ask me say you my friend. You don't ever do anything for free for me for this life before. I'm no come distress me. She dey hear me back. When you don't know how much you want pay me, I do inside.
Come, you not do well, oh. You not do well, oh. See I be. Yeah, friend.
Oh, na scam.
I also want to do the help person.
POS. If you no bring, you no go take. POS. It no matter who you be.
Who person not go for small picking now? I won't begin struggle with it.
So enjoy the service without stress.
So Cletus, is everything okay?
Everything not dey okay. Everything not dey okay. This book won't carry give elderly man may take the punish himself for old age. What happen? I not fit. I don't try. You they enter. It not work. No work.
So what's happening? What are you saying?
I not fit. Even when Queen Elizabeth come, I tell her my mind. I no go. I no fit. I beg. I no do again. I no mind. Even if not they pay fine, they go give you small money. Make her they knock my pidgin English where I sabi they go. Now where native doctor no road and there for they vanish. I go give me begin speak with you. I don't know. I beg.
Mr. Cletus, do you realize that what you're saying is called bribery and corruption?
Messiah. Now you want to change the word. I better leave that thing. Now today who done the bribe? Forget that one. Forget that one.
Anyways, I've heard what you said and I'll think about it.
Help me think and quick and think and fast. Think and. Especially that amount where I supposed to they pay. Think that one where.
It's okay.
I will go back to my POS business.
It's okay.
Understand? I better not forget me. Help me think.
I'll get back to you.
Well done,
Use what you get to get what you want. Oh, cause some people will get what some
You know they try. You know they try. If you don't see person will go advise you, make I just tell you now. You know they try at all. How many days now? I never see you. You never see me. Yes, your body know they move you. You just lock up. You know they shake body. I bet don't they call me sweet potato. Sweet potato. Night they put me for work. Come, it be like say you want me to go begin put eye for outside, Abi.
No matter who you be, you must exchange for the POS.
Now what do you want now? Now what do you want?
Don't forget.
Food was supposed to be chop for inside. I know they see and chop. I know go find her for outside.
POS. If you not bring, you not go take.
You don't make promise now. They make promise now to make me smile. If you don't say no, you can't tell me now.
Even American visa getting price, but don't forget your.
Buy your original manpower. Manpower, where I no get a partition now, or one manpower. Where I don't make you chocolate at the stand up. Original manpower, where I get to chocolate stand up for 3 days. Buy your original manpower. Your woman, I go proud for you. Your woman, I go call you daddy, I sweet. Original manpower, where I go say daddy, I sweet. Your wife, I go like you.
Malam.
Ah, my friend.
Come. I don't wait for you, may you pass since. I beg. The one way you give me the other day, he walk well. He walk well.
I tell you, I don't service your wife.
Seriously. She dey call me. Who is that? I go say, who is your daddy? He go say, yeah, my daddy. Who is your daddy? Yeah. I beg, give me extra. I don't want to waste time. Give me extra. That day when you tell me, I don't believe you. But now I know say it dey work. Now this one where you give me that day.
Yes. Now this one. Yes.
Wow.
Now this one. See this one. Yes. You see, me I dey tell the people. Say all this one within the take make it and stronger.
Yes.
Make I tell you. Na me dey sell am for Senator Tinubu.
Yeah,
na mama had the ban. You know here called he talk on for TV. He say
na youth. Yes, I hear okay na you. Malam.
When Tinubu talk say na youth I be. Yeah, man, na this one, na me I this one.
Yeah. This one now. I want keep. That one never finish, but I want keep this one.
Yes.
Reserve.
Make I keep up.
Yes.
See. I tell you some people when they say then they go prayer, then they this because of their wife no pay the phone. I tell them they say no be prayer.
Yeah.
Na hard work.
Not true.
If I take this one, your wife I must born.
Nah, no be lie. And now the way they say, I be like saying our twins don't enter.
I don't see that.
Twins enter.
I go if me I go come back.
Now. You don't know me now. Don't be crossed over now. Just go come back.
You I go add money. Now,
how much now? You don't add money again?
For any customer I sell for that, I go add them for money.
Okay, no problem. So far, this one go. Thank you, Malam.
Bye, man, power. Your wife, I go tell you, I go slap you because it's sweet. Bye, original man power. Man power, I'm not getting for party too.
Lydia, see.
Bye, original man power.
You know, say I trust you.
Woman proud for you.
I trust you, die.
Yes, so buy original manpower, make you thank me tomorrow. Make
I don't feel wait to see you.
You
know, say I don't miss you tired. I don't feel wait to see you. Yes, so. Linda, Navi are you today?
Well done, Waga.
Lydia, Navi are you today? Hey, Nami are you?
Okay, you are get to work.
Okay. No problem. Hey.
Okay.
Waiting.
Make a buy for your manpower.
When they worry you? Why they ask whether I get wife? You did dash people wife?
And you if you get your wife, you I use this one. Now your wife, I go proud to you.
My wife can't complain to you say I know the meet up.
I tell her make you a buy if you.
I beg you get out of this place.
See, now everybody at the user mo. But if I say I no buy me, I put to go. If I call me after me, I no go come back for. Abba.
Come, wait. Come. Aboki, come.
But I thought I say making me I get away.
Come.
Me I dey try make I do better thing for you. Come you are dey drag me.
You say you get my power?
Yes, man.
You go make I see. They work.
Okay, this one. If they work on well. Now everybody for this area they use them. I tell you, top this one. If you are taking small for this one, billahi lazy, your wife I go proud for you.
Now so now they make mouth. Last now, person drink this thing finish. Now so you go sweat. Mr. Man no go see get up.
Okay, no be this one. See this one, if you are taking finish, nothing. In fact, your wife, I go calm it down for you. And they say, thank you, daddy. I go say, thank you, daddy, because I don't make them feel good.
You calm down. Now, everything, your wife. Now, only wife that they use them for. See, the work way I get, no be my wife, make I confess.
Okay, you don't look at me. You don't get a shower, go?
No, be a shower. Okay. Your son. But you see this work, it's supposed to be 4 people work.
Allah.
If you see front, now like this. Back, now like this.
You call Allah. Okay.
So I need help.
Me, I go help you. In fact, I know the one I put to give you. No, if you say that your wife, I will give you this one. This one, I go do all the thing where you I want. In fact, if you I drink this one, someone be like, even though say na picking I want that day you I put to give one to win. Yes, to win brother and sister. See, you see, that is the way Oga the band they call them coconut. Billahi, if I take this one, I go stand up like this. You go say not to rock. Yeah, man. Make a. Since you say that one na big engine, I get this one. I get this one. I know say you are dance of our world. Make I give you the one way if you attack him. The woman I don't know your mama name, but I go call your mama name. Not this one.
What is this? Give me a big bottle. They give me.
Oga,
give me this one now.
You know they hear people that say small body big engine. Name be this one. This one is strong pass this one. This one a big pull.
Hey.
Top.
So now say it is small.
Malam.
Oh yeah, give me 4 bottles.
Oga, I won't kill myself, ne? Make I tell you, billahi this one na small I go put am. Because if I put on small, your coconut. I go stand up like this now until I finish like for 2-3 hours. Now I put to come down. But if you take and pass the one way you're supposed to put on a drink and go well, now be say, Oga, all the women wait there for your area now you go give them below. Because I no go come down for like 3-4 days.
The way it's small like this.
Yeah, now everybody for this place.
This thing work. If it work as you take the talk and so. It work. Come back, you go hear testimony. Aboki, I go dash you something.
And,
you said how much?
500 naira only. In fact, if this thing I work well.
And it's cheap. You sure say they work?
Next time if I come now, I go dash me 10,000 naira. And that's all my problem. You know how many, all the people there in this area, their wife, they know they born before. But all of them are they born now.
Now be born and they find no.
I tell you, say this woman, after you don't do, I go come drive your wife come out for house.
You know, ask would I first get wife?
Okay, this one I go rush and marry you. I go village, go do traditional marriage. Buy a supernatural man power.
This small bottle.
Buy a man power.
Don't be juju be that.
Buy a man power.
Entire.
Okay, Cletus, good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine.
Wait to. Sabi? Where your brother?
No deal.
You know the? Una don't chop to this, oh?
Never chop, bro.
No, sir.
No, never chop?
Yeah.
Why? No, now. No. Yeah? No, never chop?
Never chop.
You should wait. I dey come.
Sabinus. Since when your papa come do this girl?
If he asks me, now I will ask.
No wonder they thought say change now be the only constant thing with the happen.
What can change with that one?
Now only one change. Now if you change your mama and your papa.
No, man.
Woman, you know pass that one.
Yes, now.
Please.
Where you? Hold on. Take care. This one you go give your brother, Barnabas. Anything we wanna like, we can use the money chop. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, sir.
No, not talk me. That's my work. How to take care of you people?
Sabinus, you see what things will happen for you?
It shocked me.
Your papa dash us money.
Hey.
We don't have with that. Your papa is a changed person. What do you do?
no be say this Aboki man don't do me for 19. The way they praise this thing that time, say once I they take everything they charge. Eh? And this man never begin kick. Beg. Overdose don't feed this kind of thing. Attang Day village. Only me, Kai 4 of this year, I know finish them. And this guy. Who won't walk, lead their walk. If you're not ready, that thing be like who they go war. Hey. Ah! Hey! If this thing work the way they beat her, then I go hear him.
Landlord.
Oh. Franklin.
Are you okay? You've been a bit scarce this past few days. What's going on? And I realize that you haven't paid for your trip to England.
No verse, eh?
Okay.
If you see waiting, my eye don't they see, you go pity myself. Now, the small money where I don't put together self, say, hey, I want to take pay. I don't spend and finish for hospital. But no worry, Sha. By next week, I go get the money next week. I don't follow bank tell them, don't agree say they go give me loan. So I do sure say by next week, I go get the money next week. I'll get that.
Okay. Okay, so but what collateral did you use? We know that the bank will not give you any loan if you don't have a very solid collateral.
No. At the house now.
Oh, this house?
Yes, at the house. If money no reach, I go sell the company and join self. At the house now. They don't agree say they will give me the loan now. How now?
Bros, I hear you.
How you doing?
Hi.
You just discuss like say whether wetin happen. My pops been dey look for you.
Your pops dey look for me.
No, they shake. Because you know wetin you do, abi can they shake. You say make I give you house rent money.
Okay.
So, don't see money now.
Yes, not so now. Now rent money now.
Take.
Alright.
Oh yeah, find me something inside. Find me something inside.
Take it easy now. Make I follow Franklin talk finish. I go see you.
I no find you.
I go see you.
I no find you.
I go see you.
Are you sure everything is okay? Are you sure everything is fine?
Everything do okay. Everything do okay. Everything do okay.
Okay.
I go find that money for you. But next week, the bank they don't agree. So they go give me a loan. So I go give you that money. Yeah. All right, Franklin.
All right.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Where this pikin now? Hey! Where this not gonna come over? Ha! Hey! Ah! So this thing they work? And it can't dey hot. Hey! Where this pikin dey? Where this pikin dey? Where this pikin dey? Where this pikin dey? Hello, Lydia. Forget sweet potato. Not be sweet potato with the talk now. Problem dey here. Where you dey? Where you dey come from since? Yeah? Even if na from Auchi you dey come, you suppose to reach your since now. You say? Work choke you for office. Ha! Ha! Why not go shout? You know the preparation why don't they prepare since? Don't ask me. Ha! Lydia asking me. Oh. Hey. Aboki don't finish me. Oh.
Papa, what's up?
Aboki, oh. Aboki don't kill me. Oh. Hey. Abeg, if you get ice block, make I put ice block. Oh. Hey. I dey on my own. Oh. Now Aboki carry medicine come. Say they help for my power. I say I know what. Aboki convince me. In fact, na force self. That man by force me to buy her because no be with my clear I take buy that thing. Now see the problem where I don't put for myself. Ah.
Kai! Hey! I never seen this kind of thing before.
You dey craze? Why you touch him?
Sorry, I just want to feel him.
You won't feel him? Na teddy bear. No. You for pluck and come on, go carry and they play for outside. Idiot.
I know what I go do. Now just go find one sharp babe for you. You just carry and come down.
Babe.
Yes, now.
I beg. If you feel do that one for me, wait till me will take pay you back. You go shock for this life.
Money for free now. Now money for hand, back for ground.
No problem. See what's happening. Now bride price you won't go pay?
She make I leave him.
No problem. Go. I don't blame you. If I survive this problem, what I go do you? No, this thing go come out.
Hey, Papa, sorry. Oh, now, wow.
Maybe they again, no.
Guy, come. Sabinus, why did it take you so long now?
The traffic will hold us for road. If not because you follow it by this time. Papa, I don't believe what you send me.
Well, when you come, oh.
Wow. Oh, it's small work. Don't worry. You go know why they call me Caro the type.
Brabas.
Leave rubbing, go action.
Go outside.
Hey! It don't break up. Hey! Hell!
The man, the crazy. Sabinus, which kind of work you go break off for Papa? Eh?
Which maybe Papa inside the yes. That girl go see kill him.
No. What you expect? No. Tell me what you expect. You know you try to get 30, you go handle and well, you go sample or in some papers. So tell me what you expect. No, just tell me what you expect. With a face like what you know. No sense.
Seaport where they call kettle black.
That place now no go area. No go there at all. See, as I did like this, See, I dress, I walk come out, In a day, I dey see person who I find pass. Forget. I tell you like this, I too fine. Matala, they whine me.
Come. Wait. What did the TV say fine? Wait, if person tell you say fine, you go believe him?
See this one, no? Before I call.
Brother, Man, no life for you. You will die.
Ta! Which kind of talk that one now? Eh? As I like this thing, I'm fine. Normal. So no, just bring that up. No bring that matter up. I beg. Go.
You be your papa voice at the year. She been say me the handle and way. In don't jump as maybe see go handle and way. You go see die. I swear.
Me waja yo lomiran baba mi say Cletus.
This guy finish me. Oh.
Cletus. No be so life be. You get money today, we go get tomorrow. Life not supposed to be like that now. Cletus, we plan, we schedule the meeting between me and you. Say 2 p.m. tomorrow. You go to my house. You know, say I no can't get money because we want plan. Say me we go shop belekete in the evening. I can't wait. Tire. I say I try your number. I know say that one based on a network issue, but I don't see you. Let us what happen.
If you be better person, as me and you plan say we go somewhere, you call me, you not go. You not supposed to come look for me.
I no get transport. If I no dey my hand, you know now. I rely on you.
If not be God Almighty. If not be God Almighty. Yesterday now RIP now you for the here.
God forbid. God forbid bad thing.
Amen.
Let us we dey together. You know they go anywhere. 104, 105. Now so we go spend now.
If you know wetin this person wey sit down here go through yesterday, if you know wetin I suffer,
what happen?
Not be Lydia.
Your babe now?
Yeah.
I know what happen?
I beg Lydia. I say, if they say na fight, if even better pass the one where she do me. I say, babe, we no go fit dey do babe. And the main thing no dey happen. Now she say that will not be problem. That she go come, then me and she will all day. We want something.
Normal level. Yes.
My brother. I check him. I say the way that Lydia walk dey. Not be work where they use ordinary eye enter.
Now the man will get sent to think like you think.
But I need support. My brother. Now I go buy Burantashi.
Go to her.
Those one with this small bottle like
that.
Hey. I first take half. I no understand my body. I know they
feel anything.
The way this Aboki advertises this thing by now, they everywhere supposed to only. I say no. Not be me, Lydia go fall.
Oh yeah now.
He not feel win me.
Oh yeah, I know that.
I empty the remaining one.
Oh yeah. On top that feed. I trust you.
Before I close, I open. Everything within my body stand.
Everywhere, don't scatter. Not be small.
If you see one vein wait on top of this forehead, the way all of the jump out like this. These two eyes where you see, they won't run come up for my head.
I know by that time, Linda will come near.
Which Lydia? You not gonna let me wait get the story, give you the full story.
Okay.
Lydia begin give me hope.
Oh yeah.
Hope they rise.
Okay.
And you know say this thing not get sense.
No, you know they come down.
As Lydia they give me hope in the verse more. In the verse
she's about to come.
In the verse
she's about to arrive.
He get where he reach. I can't hear my zip. Like say any moment from now go burst.
Go just burst out. Hey.
When I didn't say yes. He don't say it. Lydia release bomb.
She did traffic.
Lydia release bomb. She no go fit come.
Yeah.
Something hold on for office. This one do that one do that one. She no go fit come.
Why Linda could do like that now?
Everywhere for my body they hot.
I know God care. Botangwa.
You see center around here. It be like say they boil agbo. For there, the way they hot.
Then they put firewood inside.
The way they hot. The way they hot. My brother.
What you gonna do?
I say, nah, die now I did so. I lie down. Beg my children, they fan them. They fan them. That idiot. Where I say he not useless. That picky. That one will be like football.
Which one?
Sabinus. No underrate anybody for this life. Oh, everybody get where useful.
I'm learning more.
Do you know that now that boy? help me go arrange one Asha will come.
For inside this house.
See, if you see, some of these guys they go to school. When you first climb on top, if I go round.
You don't hear Mama, you be staring me.
My brother. When she won't go, be clear. I tell you, empty my bag for her. Money where what naira? Now I can't begin. What anything you will remember for my?
Now better money carry give am.
If not you, what you go do?
Double, I go double am.
He saved my life. What you know best for me say I don't teach you.
Yes, you get this them even if you sharp, you fit still be another person maga. Oh.
No vex now, no vex. See, that day the work too much. Now only me there. The work over choke me. Now you make I no fit come. No vex now. Sorry.
No vex, Abi. Shebi make I no vex. Now you dey tell me. If to say something to me that day, let's say even say I die that day. Now no vex. Now you come to tell me. No, now I don't even understand what me and you dey do. You don't fit show me just once say I dey important. Now I know say your work now even dey important pass me.
No, you can't talk when you talk so now. How you go say my work dey important pass you? My work no fit ever dey important pass you. You na my 001, I don't forget.
Abeg,
my number one.
Which number? I don't even get number. You? I don't get number where you did. Now you dey show me your full color. I be your number one, yet you leave me. Allow me make I die.
You still a vex for me.
I dey vex.
Now I dey beg you. I don't tell you say make you no vex. See all these things. No be you get them. Now you get them. Nobody fit collect them for you. Now you get them.
You know what I go through that day? You know what I suffer? Yeah? Small thing I for die.
I am not going inside now. Sweetheart. My sweet potato.
I don't even know why. I know if he vex for you. I don't know why.
Now me and you now. Yeah? You know what's you know as they be now. I'm not going inside.
Why I don't vex.
Go inside. Go inside, John.
Leave me. Why I don't charge, don't vex, finish. Say, no, once you come like this, I know talk to you. Once I see all this equipment, everything for
now you get them. You see this body, now you get them. Now you get them. Now you more they go.
You will go with my hands.
So enjoy the service.
You too like that.
Simon. You don't vex again, Abi? You sure?
You can't question me, sure. I know the vex. If I the vex, if you say I for come follow you, the talk. I know the vex.
Yes, I. Yummy. Woo. See my darling sweet bacon. Say, walk up. That thing will happen. You know, like this, make anybody here. So just calm down, I'm go.
You know what I tell Papa?
Good, I won't take care.
Man, not tell Papa.
Why now? What's that now? Why you go tell Papa now? Don't tell your father.
Oh, Allah. Now you say me and you will go be business partners. As it be like this, we go do what we call financial business agreement. You go to give me 5K every month. You cannot tell Pops.
Your mother, one of your 5,000 naira. Wait. Which man do you use to take cover 5,000? Make I see the man.
Now this one now.
Which man you use to take?
Calm down now.
Just my friend will shut up there. Now, Parafentia, I ask you to give me all the money where I don't use to take care of you ever since. Come, now me come on you for here. Look.
This is a simple agreement. Make I not tell Palace, say you and landlord una do like this. 5K, simple. I can't do.
You don't do. How was it? So be a for see as your face they spoil I sit where they say wing.
Are you born me? My face they like shit, I resemble you.
How bad? Oh Jesus.
Are you born me?
Hey, Jen, this was behavior. This is a monkey business. I'm your moral. Anyway, what thing you want make I give you now?
I don't tell you now, 5K every month.
Oh, this boy has hurt me and he's hurt me in a Sunday. Say, I brought pressure.
No, they do this thing. You go give me the money, Abi, you no go give me. No time, oh.
Aforo say mongi terrorists. Don't worry.
After this money now, we feel doing our business on this one, our business partner.
Okay, this place looks really scanty. Where's everybody?
Oh. No problem. Food everywhere. People don't go find food. Wait till them go chop.
Okay.
Let's just move on.
Hello, everybody. It is really nice to be here. And I welcome you all to your first English language class.
Go easy.
Now, we shall be treating 2-letter words today.
All are there today. Some people today.
2-letter words.
Esma, I bet, what it be 2 letter?
2-letter words.
Oh.
2 letter. Ha. Now they fear God now. That be 2 letter.
I know it's
confusing.
Oh, wow.
Who can't give me an example of a 2-letter word?
I can. I'm in my house. In.
That's really brilliant. Please clap for her.
I know it. I know it.
Any other person?
Me.
Okay. I'll just cite more examples for you. We've got G-O, go. We've got am. We've got on, on. We've got we. We. Let's stop at that. So, Clara.
Yes.
Could you please make an example and a sentence with am?
Oh, that. I'm yours.
I am yours. Excellent. Please clap for her.
So you guys have lived in the UK.
Okay. Ma'am. Me? Please make an example with, let's see, on for me.
Hun.
Oh my God.
Hun. The person been there on top of 3.
Oh, you are making me proud. Okay, you guys are really brilliant.
Yes,
I'm super proud of you. Okay. Mr. Cletus, how about you make an example with the word, say go. Make a sentence with go.
Go. It's simple as.
Go come.
I wouldn't agree with that. That's really lazy. Please try again.
They come, they go.
That's really lazy. You've been practicing, right? I expect more from you, please. I think we'll just go with that. It's almost correct.
It's not the way I know say I get. You just won't panic me.
By the next class, he would have improved a whole lot. So let's just go with that. So it's really nice to have taught you all today. I'll see you again another time.
Oh
my God. Oh.
If somebody been tell me say I go fit speak all those things where I speak, even me go doubt myself. You know, from where I come from, the American woman first shock. So she don't know where they go. I package the English. When I release them, they don't born away. The secret wey people don't know about English, not be as it take long, oh, not be it take correct, oh. Not be as it take long, not be it take sweet. If you feel your make am short, but make sure say you select am well. Say make I make sentence with go. When I shock am with go come, she first they look me. He don't know where I pass come. when I see I don't catch him, I repackage them again. They come, they go.
He shock everybody.
Oh.
Even though you go woman, he shock him. Baba, you see the America where you won't go. As English no stop you. Nothing will stop you.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Enjoy. Celebration.
Is not gonna want yes, Grace about Simbok say. Where is begin now? No matter who you be, Elisa. Oh, wait first. Thank God, I don't see you. I don't know first. I won't ask you one question.
I hope there's no problem.
A problem, no. There come a problem. Now, person go to hear you they say to my husband, my husband, Laling, sweetheart, sweet dog, sweet name, sweet. You go to call my husband sweet, Laling dum, Laling here, Laling there. Why?
I'm sorry, pardon me. I sincerely do not understand what you just said. No iota of understanding.
I'm sorry. I don't understand. What do you don't understand? Now I want to explain. I coming to your understanding. I coming to tell you. You should leave my husband alone. Now, this grammar we use the bro give person twang. Use the pum person with English, pum person. Every person you come this company, you never carry person go America. You say America here, America there. You want to carry person go America. You never even do them. You come, they come this compound, come they carry English, come they blow person. Don't confuse my husband. Don't confuse him. Yes, let me manage him like that. Yeah, they go. I don't tell you finish.
Okay, first off, I am very disappointed in you. Yeah. For you to even think in that little head of yours that I could possibly have anything at all to do with your husband. I am bruised. Now, I demand an apology from you because this is such an insult to my personality.
How, Basimbo? Never kiss me, I dare you. I don't insult you. I don't insult. In fact, I don't kiss you. I don't kiss you at all. Leave my husband. When my husband waka like this, you waka like that. Don't confuse my husband. As long as I don't insult you. I yours come to vex you. Yours to tell you, please. Nam dum, sang dum. One, twang, that way. Make my husband do like this. Twang, that way. You understand me now?
I pretend as though I do, okay? Please. Thank you so much. Jeez, Louise. Who is this?
How? Basimbong Zangera. How? Nzikbo Obazio. Madam. Ojibo. You carry English, just the brass person. Twang.
I don't understand. So waiting can they bring all that one now?
How won't say no? How won't say Sabi? She will come tell me say, we never kukuma carry anybody go America.
You mean now?
Don't wait till she tell me.
Oh, that means we have to do something before something will do us.
See, we don't collect enough money from these people's hand. Where would they go before this matter go cast o?
Calm down. I need the landlord money. Once the landlord give us in, we'll go discharge.
If we just let go of the landlord money, they go our own way. Hey, these people don't they too suspicious, so they don't suspect us, so.
No, they do this thing where they do. No, they raise this unnecessary tension. The landlord money na in big pass. We need that once we get that, we discharge. It's that simple.
I too they worry. I don't they give you tension like tension wire. No wahala, no wham. I dare you. I be the boss.
Who be this? You don't see person water here?
I see what? I don't see anybody.
What do you see water? You don't see anybody? Master, come on. I beg I want shit.
Belesef, they worry me.
Bele, they worry you.
Yeah.
Sabinus.
Yep.
I beg, I use God beg you. Come out. I beg.
I dey shit.
Sabinus, I beg now. Help me now.
I dey shit. Always say, you go wait me small. So I will allow you. You go find small thing for me.
Small thing like waiting.
You go find some more kiss for me.
Kiss.
Eh.
Okay, come on, I will kiss you. No be kiss, I will kiss you. Hi. Nonsense, you dey crazy. Come on there. What dey worry you? You think I don't know what you dey do? You walk, bo. You're not showing up, Paula.
Oh, jeez. Almost. As you going to drop everything today. Yeah? All this stress for this compound, sef. I think they happen for inside this compound now. I mean, we get ghosts for inside this compound. Hey, which kind of wahala be this? This one is nonsense. So. Wetin be all this now? Wetin be this now? Hey, I don't enter wahala. What happened to my food now? Papa, I leave my food now. My spoon been dropped for ground. I go wash and come back. I don't come see my food again.
Your food lost?
Yes, my food lost. Yes.
Collect that spoon, carry and come for you.
Now wow. Now my food be this now.
Hi! Food sweet die.
Now wow.
Why you keep your phone careless? Now our food be this, so no vex.
Now our food, what do you mean say na food?
You know vex, abi?
I dey vex now, I no go vex.
You dey vex say we chop your food?
No, wahala, I know. It's okay. It's okay.
But if I know small thing, movies and go buy cook, step am down.
Make I find you something how? After I don't collect my food.
You dey follow me, dey argue again.
No, I no argue. Oh, but the money where I get for him be this.
How much be that?
2.5.
Wanna hold that one? Where you go? You try, eh? We go see.
Where?
This life just there one kind.
Can't drink my coke again.
Oh, just in a minute.
Oh, wow.
It go blow your mind.
How do you dey follow talk?
This life in no balance.
Don't get belle o.
So make a room. No, one now come up for house when they go tell men all these things when they talk. Now you look the people face. I resemble small pikin. No, I resemble person wey go hear say I don't carry belle, then I begin run. If you carry belle, you go come out now. I mean, you don't know who give you belle.
Now you give me belle.
Now me give you belle.
Yes, I know they come out.
Wait, now be say no be me give you. If na me give you, you will allow me to decide what I want to do with my belle. Abi? If na me get this belle, go come out.
I know they come out.
You know they come out?
I know they come out. Wetin this one born pikin do you where you want make I kill him?
Now your own, not be my own.
Now me get him.
Why you gonna tell me now?
We gotta get him. I know they come out.
Be like say you know even get sense. If you look the two children where I get, you supposed get sense. Say you know, not be person like me. You supposed to run go me say you don't get belle. If you add those two things together, you reach one pikin. No, let's say we plus two of them together, they reach one.
I know they come out.
Who know the one where you were born now? Whether na like this, neither one go dey. Now, way is still dey like this. I'm sure if you bring Gary, na small kerosene, you add and drink them. This thing go come out.
I know they come out.
You know they come out?
I know they come out.
And then you're on your own.
Thank you, Mr. T. This life just
where you come now? By the way, where you say your brother go safe?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, wonder what you ever know. Which kind of pikin Barnabas be? When you not be devil? Every time they waka up and down. All the mates they play football, they help their family. You know that to the waka. One day, all these police, when they find who they go catch them, lock them up. I no go show there. No sense. Now travel like this, so because I know everything for your eye and play. I dey live una. Anyhow, no one want survive, una survive. You get problem with your brother, una fight, settle about yourself. Hungry they beat una cook for yourself. You don't hear me?
Yes.
Una uncle die, and the burial now won't go plan for village. So maybe 1 week and some days, now go come back. So if you don't see salt, you dey call papa. You don't see pepper, you dey call papa. You lie, I no go answer. You don't hear me?
Okay, papa.
If hungry beat una, cook, na chop by yourself. I don't withdraw money when I tell they run my POS business. Make una not spoil my business, oh. Night, lock door. If thief come here, thief anything, make yourself follow the thief, they go. You hear me?
Yeah, papa, I hear you.
I never come out. He don't do like, come, carry this thing. Carry it. No, whether on the bag they carry you, or now you they carry the bag.
I want to do something.
Don't start. Waiting be that.
As papa no day, no just do house party. Enjoy ourselves. Invite like 2 babe. Enjoy life small.
Wait. Which money you won't take enjoy life small?
We don't need too much money. Just small money we need. For papa POS.
Like you know they think straight. You know they think straight. You know how that man they do. You know how they do.
Come. Go just tell and send a thief come rob us.
You are sense. You are sense.
This your big head. It don't they take and they think practically. Chai.
See. Imagine say, that your babe, that babe where they like. Imagine say, carry and come, buy drink for him. You gonna see like big boy.
Yeah. Now true talk.
You dey game or you know dey game?
Then they dig in for this kind of thing. I dig game.
Go bring that money. Fast.
They're still on the beat, oh. You spend on the mic. If I see you came my way, could you believe? Could I ever find my way? Why should I let you go? Oh yeah. Why should I let you go? Oh yeah. You are the last thing on my mind when I go to bed. First thing on my mind when I wait to leave. Why should I let you go? Why should I let you go? Now see my life, oh, I'm looking so fly. Money for my hand, oh, I'm traveling to Dubai. Anything you want to, swear me and go buy. My hand is singing for you. Well, I'm in Shadura. Ojojúmọ́ ni mo ṣàdúrà. Thank God you got my way. Pray for you get my way.
Over Sabi.
Our nickname makes sense. Die.
Forget it, we don't arrive.
See, finally, we don't arrive. See, is that your babe? He gonna call you King Kong, we get the wins.
Forget oh. That baby, she dey believe me die. I swear, yesterday, she just dey call me some kind sweet name. You know, believe her? Like, honey, darling, atutu poyoyo. My God, just scatter that yesterday.
You see, money good though.
Money good now, no.
We go use our papa do money, enjoy life.
Bro, wait.
What happened?
This kind thing, no just do it like that. No, you don't just go buy a person like that. I know they make sense. You get mama now, you get papa. So, we just do now. We just take money slow. When it's steady. We no go rush am. See get. But when you don't have this time, when the time come, we go one hand. You get now? Oh, don't day on you. Over Sabi. You be my man. I know you. I sabi you. Go get. Chopper.
Not me you had to talk to.
No me, papa.
Now you had to talk to, but you don't want to answer me. I say, where your brother?
I don't know where he is.
You don't know where he is. You don't know where he is. If you know as you tell reach him, your fellow criminal, tell him, I say making the run. If you just they run, they go like that, make it not come back. But anytime when he hears say I kill you, I am sure by himself he go invite himself for your burial. Money where I suffer. Money, afternoon, night, I dey under the I dey for outside. Sun dey shine, rain dey follow, I dey for outside. People when reach me, those when not reach me, they go insult me because of one small commission where I won't collect for POS. Now the money now carry do no sense. Abi?
No, papa. Not if we come out. We can't show where the money, they can't take some more money.
You dey craze. Why the thief not thief you? I dey ask you. You think that everybody not get head like you? Thief come house, he see money, inside where he go collect everything. No, he thief some. Leave the other one for who? I dey ask you.
The thief then get human sympathy.
Oh, the thief get human sympathy. Now I know say you think say I dey play. Oh yeah, open your hand. Who be this? I say open your hand. Hey, in the round. Thief! Hold on! Thief! Thief! I'm not gonna help me, hold on!
Oh, just in a minute.
Please, you dey stay for this compound? Yes. Sorry, please. Sorry to bother you. We were looking for this man. Do you happen to know him? We got an information that he stays in this compound.
Wait. Mr. Franklin be this. I know him now. If they leave a boy, he just come out down with him, babe.
Undercover agent in Obot, special fraud unit. That man you see there is a fraudster. He goes around swindling people all in the name of taking them to America and running away with their money.
Not lie. Hey, everybody come on! Everybody come on! Nothing I call you what's in a year. Franklin and Tico, come and hear. Hey, what that Franklin? Just that Tico. Everybody come on! Hey! He say Franklin, This woman and this man come and say Franklin. They scam people since. They don't do absolute Abuja, so they can't come Lagos. Say they collect money, say he go carry them go America, Spain, UK, everywhere. He go carry the money wrong.
Where you go hear that one?
Them.
And you there here, you believe. I don't know why this life day like this. Somebody where government don't nearly make ambassador. Now that they found I want to spoil
my friend, shut up, otherwise I'll arrest you as an accomplice.
Arrest? My police.
You know, Nigerians that they came from Abuja.
You not tell me.
With all due respect, sir, I cannot come all the way from Abuja to come and lie or play pranks on you all. He took my 900,000 naira alongside my neighbor's money. Yes, alongside my neighbor's money, and he ran away with everything. I'm sure he has taken money from you all.
Hey, Franklin, don't kill me. Hey, Franklin, don't kill me.
Oh, yes.
Go down.
Hey!
Look, I don't understand what you're saying. Wait till you don't understand, Ogbeni. No, they can't speak all this English for me. See, make I tell you, as it be like this, one woman carry police come. She say she from Abuja. Say you carry her money, they pass.
What?
They feel me, ba.
What is she?
Is she still here?
She dey compound now.
Please, you can't tell them you saw me.
Make I no tell them say I see you. And as I no go tell them say I see you, you guys find me something now.
What are you
Make
saying
calm
now?
down.
I don't understand. Find you something. How now?
You want make I go tell them?
Calm down, calm down.
So find me something.
See, if you enter there, just bring my bag for me. And anything where you feel say good, they important for me, I beg.
Make I bring your bag.
Fine. Okay. How much should I send?
Send like 100K.
100K? Why now?
How much you don't collect for all these people hand?
Okay,
they
fine.
ask ordinary
Okay,
100K.
Move on, like so I will send you 50 now, then I will send you 50 later.
Yeah, make I give you my account number.
Which bank?
Zenny Bank. 22 08 63 84 69. Make I go bring your bag, come, baby.
See how.
Make I get the alert too.
Elizabeth, look, the coast is not clear. The coast is not clear. There's no need coming back here. We don't cast now. Everything don't cast. See, if you know what's good for you, just remain where you are. No make mistake come here again, no. I will explain everything later.
Me wey no dey believe person. Me wey no dey believe person. How that person will talk me?
Oga Cletus. Oga landlord. As I dey talk to una now, Franklin in the outside.
You say who dey outside?
Franklin. I will call a joke for this matter. He tell me say make I come inside the house, go carry him box, go give him.
Franklin.
Franklin, he dey outside, oh. He dey outside.
Oga, make me find
No, I did.
I don't keep person.
You don't finish today. Oga Cletus, I beg you go for me, I follow you. Where Franklin dey? Where? I said make I call you now, make I break this news. So I get bad news. No be me get this compound again, no.
I don't understand.
Oh, okay. May now calm down now.
Oga, talk to us if you want talk.
Now this compound, now I take for collateral for bank. For that moment where I give Mumu Franklin the money now. So as Franklin don't carry money go now, no fit pay the bank now. So bank say they want the house. So now the bank can't get the house. Don't me get time again now.
Wait, landlord. He said you that is Momo. I said Franklin and Momo. You Momo man. Oh, I want to talk you now.
This idiot. So America they switch you too.
This I won't go America before.
So
now.
America they your mind too.
Yes now.
You know die where.
If I think go die, leave that money for. Waiting, you talk to the fire, the fire, Franklin. Don't fire this man. You're young. I want to stone you, this man.
Oga, I no go feel lose double way. I no feel lose double way. Frankly, don't carry my money. Run. That one day one corner. You now go come chop my rent. You know if you happen.
So now they don't the bank say make everybody know.
Me off our rent. Who go balance them?
Thank you very much.
I don't give Franklin. Now they say make all of us we must relocate to. Everybody must relocate. Everyone must relocate.
By two where I keep you. Make I plank this man for neck.
Babe, what we go do now? Now when landlord don't give us quit notice. How we want to do now?
I spoke to Kelvin. I told him everything. He said I can move in with him, at least for the meantime. Though he has always wanted me to stay with him. What about you? What are you going to do?
Babe, I don't see. For the meantime, save me, I don't even know. I don't know what thing I want to do. But I did think of to, look for somebody moving with, at least maybe after like a month or two. I could just arrange myself, pay for a house. Yeah, because I don't want this over the awala. Now we landlord don't go involve bank matter.
I understand. Personally, I just feel for this whole matter now. The landlord, like I feel for him so.
Babe, why you go stay in house? Why you go stay in house? Okay, see what thing don't happen now. Now the thing don't come affect all of us.
But you know now, how we go take no say Franklin as scammer? See, now me the vex pass for this whole thing. I go they give am free quick finish. Still on top money what I give am.
Franklin. See, babe, you see that guy here? You see that Franklin? We go catch him. We go catch him for this Lagos. Abi, no be Naija with it. Na Naija with it, we go catch him. Me, Clara, I go catch him. I go catch him for this Naija. I go catch him. Kai!
I'm so tired and frustrated right now.
Kai, that guy get mind though.
Oh yes. If you bring, you go get. Sure get. Now waiting you carry come on board.
Get us. Which kind of wahala be this one now?
For this game, even if you sharp, if you still be another person, maga.
As I dey here now, whether for banco, whether under the bed, whether for my pocket, 1 naira no go me. Nothing at all.
Hey! God, why now? I be they suspect those people. But that woman where they speak English, in mouth too sweet. But you don't have choice than to agree with them now.
Mouth too sweet. You don't get choice than to agree. Why you not invest? No, why you not invest? Since that's so amount the sweet, they catch people.
I know, I'm not interested.
No problem.
What you go do now?
Nothing. What did they gonna do? Nothing. I don't pack my bag. Yes, to the Go village.
You don't reach that.
Get one small land where my papa die leave. If na cassava, make I go the plant. No how. By the time I farm for like 10 years. I feel make more money. Come back to city. Only say before that time if you don't die. Which friend? I could make a friend.
Let us, I go miss you. When lie, I go miss you. Nobody they play draft with now. In the morning, I will come here in the afternoon. Even night, I go to play draft. Now only you be my.
Wait, make I hear where.
I said,
so that's why you're here rich.
No, I just say, I go miss you.
No, that's why you're here rich. For the full Lagos now, you don't go see another foolish person when you with are going to play draft.
Now because of friend matter. You be my close friend.
Better. You know go better for you.
That's how I miss you. I love you. What am I going to do now?
Oh yeah.
Ogu must kill you.
No verse now. No verse, eh? Sorry, eh? Sorry, eh? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No drop your bag, oh. Bye-bye. Bye, man. No verse now. Sorry, na condition, cause am. No verse. Bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye. Wow. Bye, oh. Bye.
To get what you want. Cause some people will get what some people will want. Give and take is the order of the game. Sure get. Oh yes, if you bring, you go get. Sure get. Waiting you carry come on board, go determine waiting you go get. Sure get. For this game, even if you sharp, if you still be another person, mother. Oh, na scam. POS. If you no bring, you no go take. POS. No matter who you be, you must go exchange for the POS. So enjoy the service without stress. Don't forget your service charge POS. If you no bring, you no go take. POS. No matter who you be, you must go exchange for the POS. Even American visa.